How you guys doing? Welcome back to another live stream. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. Wait, left, right? I feel like something weird is going on with my restream camera. Like it's switched around, I think. I don't know. Maybe my brain's just all messed up for some reason, but I feel like it switched around a little bit. All right, I'm trading some spy over here. Huh. Okay. It's being a little bit annoying now, right as I came on the live. That's your guys' fault. I completely 100% utterly blame you folk for letting my spy calls go to zero. Now, they're not that bad right now. I'm going to abide by the stop. I am scaling into these now. So I'm just trying to see if SPY can get above this 25 MA over here and get a 5-minute MACD cross. Am I a little early? Yeah, I am a little early. But I think SPY, after it's getting out of this range like this, could bounce right back up. Now, looking at this on the 1 minute, that was not fun. But how's everybody doing? AMC, what the heck? All right, AMC 1843 over here, looking all righty. That was weird. I'm apologizing for saying that right now. So Amy's looking all right over here. We got UVXY over here on the top right. We got GME just kind of flickering around over here as well. Hopefully you guys are having a good afternoon. SPY has drunk Yuso. Is Yuso coming up? That would not be ideal for SPY. All right. Yuso, great 1348 cross over here. Really ripping back up. So let's see what happens with the market. These contracts are down a little bit. I didn't go very big. I'm still scaling into them. I need that confirmation of the 5-minute MACD cross. The 1348 is basically crossing already over here, and then maybe even above this 25 MA. But still, I mean, I'm gonna wait and see what happens on this 5-minute. Come on, bro. All right, people. As you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I did say one, but now it's not one because I had to eat lunch. You know, I have to eat sometimes, and I didn't have enough time. All right, I should get out of this because this is nonsense here. What's it on the 1 minute? Are we switching back to puts? All right, we're getting out of this. This is bullshit. This is nonsense. Oh, they're cucking me. Oh, they're getting me good. All right, got out of the whatever the SPY trade that I was trying to get into. Let's see. I mean, I still have a little bit of settled cash left to trade with. So, I mean, I'll probably hit another. See if I've hit 2 SPY trades in a row. Two of them were puts. 2 of them were puts in a row. One of them was on Gabe's channel. One of them I just did. USO is coming up though. So maybe a little bit of a USO play on a little bit of an oil move to the upside. You could do that. I mean, USO looks decent. But at the beginning of the week, it's kind of difficult. But you think if I call my house insurance company, they will give me okay, Ryan. No. But I feel like that's too soon. All right, folks. Let's see. Good morning, Daddy SB. Appreciate you guys. All right. Let's see. I did say like number 64. Appreciate that. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. So hopefully you guys are ready for a pretty interesting afternoon. I think things are going to get a little bit wild. I might be using this STC over here to get me back into some SPY calls. If it's going to do it even. I mean, if we break down below this 200 EMA on the 5-minute again, I'll just get back into puts and ride it back down with like not a lot of time left in the day. I'm just hoping that it happens within the next 40 minutes. It picks its direction so I can trade it on the daily. Like I'm not going to be messing around if there's just some nonsense going on. All right, hold on. Let me pull this up. What do I need here? I need this. Bing bong. The prices are still wrong. So let's see, everybody. What class you skipping now? I don't know. Are you going to Twitch in case YouTube cuts your channel? No, but like, I mean, I hope YouTube doesn't do that. Trey's mustache. I made 63% on Riot, 30% on AMC. I was at 95% on Riot and 50% on AMC. Just sold a little bit late. Dude, profit is profit. 63% and 30% is still really, really good. SB, someone asked TMI about missile insurance. Dude, I'm not an insurance expert. I got no idea, man. That's pretty insane. SPY's coming down now. Pretty big 5-minute red candle over here. So let's see what we're going to get on this beast. Amy coming down a little bit. GME, same difference. USO kind of holding. Where's Oxy? Is Oxy just on that slow grind up still? Yeah, man. Oxy's just looking good. Where's Lockheed? Hold on. SPY coming down. Oil going up. Lockheed going down. Could get puts on Lockheed Martin. Bing bong. Earnings are going to be strong. I like that. Because of everything going on, I think Amy and Jimmy will run the same as crypto. It could. Big Monk, stop screwing around, Amy, and sort yourself out. All right. That doesn't rhyme, but to each his own. You can do whatever you want. All right. Let's see what I was a SPY here. I mean, this was all right. I was playing it here, but rejected. Would buying the Russell and AMC help guide us to the no Russell? It would not. No. Occidental Petroleum to buy back 2.5 billion of bonds in a bid to cut debt. Ooh, that's interesting. All right, where's oil? USO. I mean, the thing is that we've played USO many times and then we just get burned on it. Like if I hold it overnight, I'm gonna get burned. but I really want to chase it right now. Like it just looks so fun to chase. It's just going to be expensive. And I don't like that. I just don't. I'd much rather play the spy daily. I just need it to pick a freaking direction. All right, folks. 1348 used on a 5 minute only, or what time frame you base that on? I always use it on the 5 minute now. I use it for like broader technical analysis on like the 4 hour. Though that's just for me though. I don't personally feel comfortable holding stuff overnight. So that's kind of why I'm just kind of messing around here with the day trades. Like it's just easier for me. All right, SPY looks like it's coming back down. So if we get a closing 5 minute candle under this 200 EMA, what do you think I'm gonna do? What do you guys think I'm gonna do? Ho, Jeremy, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Just sold my Harley. 3 guesses where that cash is going. AMC, GME, 1348. Those are my 3 guesses. All right, SPY bouncing off that 200 EMA over here, playing loose for earnings. Ooh, yeah, we can do that. I'll probably play Lucid for earnings too. Very cheap. I'll try to spend $100 total, but if not, I'll try to spend $100 both ways. That's probably going to be what I try and do. All right. Freaking USO is just tempting me here with that little day high breakout over here. So SPY rejected, bounced off that 200 EMA. Coming back up a little bit though. Let's see what happens with this. I am hunting for trades in the afternoon. Still a good day today. Profitable day. Not anything crazy. Definitely not like Friday, but still a good day. I was listening to another stream and wife says, "Is that the ankle guy?" I am the ankle guy. That's me, ankle boy. Just really want to know what's the easiest way to trade while working all day. Can't stare at my screen all day. You're gonna have to use longer time frames, but right now, I'm personally not holding anything overnight. It's just too risky. Also, how much for a wrench? It's priceless. Wrenches are priceless. My 2-year-old just handed me my phone with you on the live stream. Dude, that's awesome. That's pretty cool. Quick question. There was 25,000 AMC calls in the money early. If all those get exercised, right? How the price? Yeah, they would. If they got exercised, they would run. I believe Lucid's after hours today. Did you see AA's tweet about BitPay? Yes, I did. That was pretty interesting. SPY, pick up. All right, here we go. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. I just hope it doesn't fall too much. I just want to see it like not get all the way down here, but I want to see a closing candle right like below the 200 EMA and then it continue down. That's what I want to see in terms of like getting into SPY puts. Here we go. That's going to be like the 3rd time that I would get into SPY puts today. Pins could cross down soon. So here's the thing. I honestly feel the most comfortable trading SPY right now. I'm just more comfortable. Oh, snap. There's a squirrel next to my name. Yeah. All you members now are getting to squirrel territory. There you guys go. There you go. Thanks for being members, guys. I really appreciate that. Roses are red. So is my thong. Everyone knows the prices are wrong. All right, Simon. Interesting there. All right. Let me see what we can get here on SPY. It's flickering. All right. What do I want? What do I want? Tell me what I want. What do I want? No. This is nonsense. Okay, I'm going to have to get those, which does suck. How many can I get? I'm only going to be able to... Oh, I'm going to have to go for those? Oh, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. Yeah, every single time I've been getting into SPY puts, I've just gone like 1 strike lower every single time. Hey, ankle boy, what's the utilization on AMC? 100%, but it's stupid. You want money. I do want money. That is correct. I do want to make money. All right, let's see. Ooh, it broke. All right, I'm going to load these mother effers up. I'll get one now. Actually, no. One now. It's being a little poopy head. Get one right here. I swear to God, if this bounces. How did that fill? Well, that was nice of them to fill me on that because that was not the price at all. Like, that was just not what the price was. All right, and then on the closing candle, I'll get another one. So I'm just scaling into puts right here. The low is 432.66. It's not that far off. Or the more recent low. The actual low is 431.86. I don't know. Quick flip. In and out. Bing bong. The price is wrong. Let's see what happens. 400 shares of BBIG. There you go. You want to donate some of your earnings to us? I don't know about that. I don't know. I don't know. I would be left over with no money. If I had to pay each one of you guys for like how much I was making on the trades, I would have no money left. USO is going to pop. I think it will too. I'm just not trading it. I'm kind of done with oil, messing around with oil. Amy Boom Boom's at 145. Don't trust me, bro. All right, not a hedge fund. You know what that means? Trust you, because anytime somebody says don't do this in like the finance YouTube space, everybody's just like, oh, I should do that. 432 is a good support level. Yeah, if it breaks that, I mean, adios. All right, let's see. Am I going to lose more money on SPY puts or am I going to print? You're about to find out on the next episode of Afternoon Live with STV. Here we go. I have a feeling Amy is gonna rip faces off this afternoon. Dude, I would love to see that. All right, closing candle. Spice, why are you being such a shit? What's it on the 1 minute? Where's the 13? Okay, so I'm gonna wait for it to come up and test this 13, and then I'm gonna buy another put. That's what I'm looking for. If it rejects, what price is this? 33.69. That's not that far off. Let's see here. If everyone would come back from lunch day and buy more AMC, that'd be great. Hey, that would be great, man. All right. Let's see. Did you trade with unsettled funds? No. Oh, you did a trade with unsettled funds, but Weevil didn't give me a good faith violation? Well, you probably didn't close, unless you didn't close the trade yet. Or you just get a warning. You might just get a warning. AMC is not 100% utilization. Dude, I know. It's extremely, yeah, it's cheap to borrow right now. Like, people are like, oh, like, utilization's high. No. It's not. There's no way it is. It means, because the cost to borrow is still low. All right. SPY doing its flickery thing over here. Let's see what happens with this. All right. It's coming down. Not really, though. It's just flickering. Just flickering. Say less, fam. I'll buy a few shares now. Watch the candles. All right, rogue civilian. Let's see what happens. All right. Wait, were you the guy last time that was like, I'm going to buy shares, and then it just ripped? I'm finna smash the like button. Thank you, Sir Hodel Holdington. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Actually, let me send TMI this link really quickly. Bing bong. The prices are still wrong. All right, let's see. Yuso just, whoa, bro. There's like ice falling outside my window, and I feel unsafe. How about that micron puts that I called this morning, 1348 cross? How much are you up? How much are you up on them? What percent? No, that wasn't me. Oh, sure. Sure it wasn't you. All right. SPY's coming up to this 13 EMA here. That oil reserve release is a powerful tool. Okay. So is Gasparino. Ha! All right. So I'm having Putin shorted Russia. Yeah, you shorted the Russian ruble. My SPY calls and QQQ calls fell so quick. Yeah, you're up 80%. There you go. Why doesn't Ortex fix it? Because that's the data that they're receiving. That's the best info that they have. All right, here comes SPY testing this level over here. Let's see. Actually, how many can I? Oh, I might be able to get 2 more. Oh, this is fun. Hey, why did you just move the 13 on me? That was rude as hell. All right. I'm locking and loading this right here. Ready to go. I'm about to hammer these puts. If it starts to reject right here, hammer in the puts. Wait, where is it in relation to the 200? God damn it. That candle, bro. Maybe I won't do this then. You're up 115% on Oxy? There you go. I don't know. I'm like trying to find a trade, but like I'm also low-key chasing. Yeah. All right. We're going to be done for a little while. We're donezoed here. No, thank you. Yeah. Filled. Bye-bye. Didn't lose that much. I was still scaling in, so it wasn't really that crazy, but I do want to hit a nice trade going into close. Like that is something. Oh, damn. It's getting me every time. It's just this 200 EMA that's just pissing me off because we have this like close below and then it just pops back up and you're like, well, why'd you do that? It's just, I don't know. We'll see. I still have some settled cash left. Let's see what we can do with it going into close. Should have held those Putins, not paper handing my SPY call. Ooh, well, I had puts. Now I have nothing. Where's TLT? Where is TLT right now? All right, coming up a little. All right, folks. Again, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. If you want to join the Discord as well, it's in the top of the live chat over here. We're going to do another one of those private live streams for the premium members tonight, so make sure you guys are there for that. Mara's heading back up with Bitcoin. It's trying. SPY's moving up here. Yeah, I mean, Mara's getting a little pop, but it's just bouncing off that 48 EMA over here. So let's throw SPY back on the 5 minute. Are you playing AMC earnings? No. What happened to that collectively buy guy? Didn't work out. So what if the utilization is accurate and they're pinning it there to legally create shorts, maintain liquidity? No. This is what we were talking about earlier, WebTorp, about the cost to borrow. If the utilization is actually 100% and there's not a lot of shares, they are absolute complete morons and they should go out of business for not charging more. And the example that I used in order to kind of illustrate this to you guys is, let's just say you, with your AMC position right now, with the crazy imbalance of potential supply and demand. Let's just say, for example, again, this is just for the example that AMC is trading at $100,000. And the shorts need to get out of their positions at those prices. This is for the example right here. Then you then go out and say, hey, I'm going to sell my AMC shares at $100. How stupid is that? When you should be able to get out at much higher prices because of the supply and demand, you're like, nah, I'm going to get out at 100. That's asinine. It is so stupid. It's the same thing as the institutions that would see, oh, it's 100% utilization, but nah, I'm not going to charge anything. It's the same thing. So in my mind, the utilization is the one that's wrong. DraftKings. Oh, don't you tempt me with some DraftKings. Oh, it is coming up. I like it. So let's see what happens going into the end of the day. I mean, we can always trade stuff going into the end of the day. We just won't be able to trade SPY after the next 30 minutes. Oos was still tweeting. He lost track of time. Yeah, it didn't. Yeah. I do want more puts, Avocado. So I got out of those calls. I just this 200 EMA is just not. It's just holding it right around these levels. So let's see what happens with it. Where's the? No, nothing going on here on the STC. If shorts need to borrow shares, could we borrow all the shares for a day or two to stop shorting? Technically, yes. Technically, you can do that. You just have to pay for them. No. They were. No, I didn't. I made money on the puts, buddy. I was up like 30% on the puts that I sold when we were talking in the DMs, which is fine. I mean, especially if it's going to flicker around like this, like the puts would be worth less now. I tried to play the calls. It didn't work. Now I'm looking for, now I'm looking for puts, I think. Wait, did I do something? No, I'm out of everything right now. Let's see. SPY coming back down. Big Dave, I would have to agree with you. It needs to do something about this 200 EMA here. The sellers need to come in and be like, yeah, we're selling it off. Amy popping back up here a little bit though. 1870 on AMC. Dude, AMC's having a day. Up 6% on the day before earnings. Fire me up, man. Here we go. You're at 80%. Screw you, squirrel. Screw you. All right. Amy's looking good, man. Like DraftKings is coming up a little here. Oh man. What's it on the 1 minute on DraftKings? Just ripping. Just absolutely ripping. Up 4% today. SPY's moving back up here. Hell, I might sell data reporting website to people and throw out random incorrect data if that's easy and illegal. Exactly, man. It just, there's no way that that's accurate. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. The way that the numbers actually work, it makes it. Amy, 5-minute MACD cross here. We could get a little spicy if SPY. I don't know, man. Honestly, I want to break above this 200 or this 25 MA, and everything start to grow back to the upside. But if it breaks this 200 EMA and starts to come down, I mean, might as well get puts, right? I don't know. We'll see what happens with it. Do you work out? Yeah. SPY puts real cheap now. They weren't when I was just looking at them. Oxy, let's check Oxy. Slow melt up today after that big boom in the morning. Big business. Is there anything to be gleaned from the last 3 weekly candles look identical to 3? Not really. I know you love a bit of Disca. I only love Disca on the weekly when they expire. So like when the March monthly options expiration date comes, if you call out Disca, I will trade it. But right now it's not worth it because the expiration date's so far out. It needs to absolutely rip. You can hold it overnight if you want to. I just don't want to do that. So like Disca will start running and you'll look at your contracts and be like, why am I only up 20%? When if it was a weekly, you'd be up 150%. So it's like, it's not worth the risk. Belarus took a vote to agree to host. Okay, that's not good. That's not ideal. Let's see. Amy trying here, man. Hit that like button. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting more people in here going into the end of the day. It is the day before AMC earnings. It's getting interesting here, folks. Let's see. Fair point. Yeah. I mean, became a Discord member last week. How do I get alerts? You have to join the premium Discord. If you're in the free part, you're not going to get any of the alerts or access to any of the private live streams. So there's a tab in the Discord where you can go in there and sign up. Putin is playing with second string. What do you mean, like the backups? All right, Spy not doing a whole lot here. Let's see, Amy 1870, Oxy coming up a little bit here. Let's see. Isn't it crazy? Like all the bad people who've done like terrible things in like the last like year and a half have been named Vlad. Holding these AMC calls at least until close tomorrow. Okay, so you can play the AMC earnings run up. I personally would not hold any calls through earnings because, well, one, the way that I trade earnings is I got to play it both ways. If I'm not playing it both ways, I'm gambling. Like, I don't want to gamble on these earnings. So, like, Lucid, I think it can do well, but I also think it could absolutely capitulate and tank. So, I'm going to play it both ways and hope for the best. Killed it with 1348 calls on Raytheon. There you go. Vlad rhymes with bad, and that makes me sad. I started the rumor that the premium has ankle pictures. The premium does not have ankle pictures. All right, Spy's moving down here. I don't know, man. I almost want like a couple of confirmation candles below this 200 EMA because, like, look, we've seen it in the past where it just like opens and then just rips right back up. Lucid Strangle looking pretty good. Hey, man, I think that's what I'll be doing. See, look at this nonsense over here. March 1st, AMC earnings, State of the Union, Mardi Gras, National Pancake Day, and my birthday. Brian, if we have more than the 35.58% has to be like during the day. So you have to have a closing price to get mod for a day. What's the Lucid pricing in for earnings? Probably a lot. That's why I'll probably go for the next week deep out of the monies. Oh yeah, this is gonna suck. It's gonna be like okay. All right. So this is gonna be really annoying for it's not that bad for this week. It's not the worst thing it's like not terrible, but like because I know Lucid can move. So what is it at right now? 2804. So 216. 235. All right, let's see what it's pricing in. 2804. 16%. Okay. Well, it's gonna need to move. If we play it, it's gotta move. Thank you, SV. Just got my first profitable trade after 2 months. Once I got the profit, I dropped out of college. All right. Well, that's stupid. Did you see that Citadel expects to make U.S. primary dealer bid? This is just great. Isn't that like BlackRock? How to play both ways by calls and puts. You probably should not be dropping out of college. Emotional damage. All right, people. Amy's coming up a little 5-minute MACD cross here. Amy wants to come up a little bit. I don't know. 278th like. Appreciate that, man. Roxy, new day high. Roxy, Oxy. How are we doing with Oxy? Is it really pumping? Oh, man, that would have been a good one today. Yeah, Oxy up 10% today. I mean, what are the premiums up? Like 1,000%? At 500%? That's crazy. That's wild behavior out of Occidental over here. You held those over the weekend, you crushed it. Spy coming back up. Spy's just acting a little volatile over here. Let's see. All righty, folks. Could they get away with not covering synthetics in a squeeze? It doesn't matter. They don't know. Here's the deal. The hedge funds have no clue if they're naked short. Oh, no. Everybody's going to hate me for that. They have no idea. They have no clue. It's all Goldman Sachs. It's all the prime brokers who create the naked shorts. So when they get a call that says, hey, get out of your short, it's whatever they have on their balance sheet is what they're showing is how many shares that they have sold short. It's not like they have like 1,000 shares short and 800 of them are real and 200 of them are fake and they see that. It's just like in your account. It's like, do you see like what shares are real or fake? No, nobody has any idea. So, or like IOUs. So you have no idea. So when they see that, it's like, all right, this is our net obligation on like, or what our position is on the short. We got to cover a certain amount of whatever it is. So no. Could the hedge funds sue the prime broker for creating too many naked short? Yes, they can. That's kind of what Mark Cahota's Goldman Sachs deposition is kind of all about, which you guys should read it. I lied. I didn't drop out. I just like to see a reaction to stupidity because half the time it's real. But I'm an ITL that got a little pocket change now because of the Discord. There you go, buddy. I like to see that. Yeah, dude. This is the best Discord that has ever existed on the face of the planet. Just in terms of strategy, learning, and like the amount of like knowledge in there with the people, like the other people. I'm not saying like me, TMI, Gabe. Like, yeah, we kind of know what we're doing, but or the TMI, Gabe definitely know what they're doing. I pretty much know what I'm doing. I don't want to hype myself up too much, but like other people in there too, dude, you can't beat it. I'm surprised the banks haven't figured out a way to create naked house mortgages. They do. They did. Remember synthetic CDOs? They did. It was all bullshit in 2008. So everybody was betting on the outcome of like these CDOs like failing or succeeding, and that's essentially what it was. That not like synthetic mortgages, but like they were betting on like random stuff happening. They essentially did do that. And in 2008 they were naked shorting too. So that's when they had to put out like Reg Show and it was like, hey, probably shouldn't do this anymore. All right, Oxy looking all right here. And that liquid swirling made me cringe. You know what, Mini Ape? I can see where the hedgies don't care if they have shares. No, it's not they don't. It's not that they don't care. It's that the prime broker or whoever they're getting the shares from are saying you can borrow them. So they're not going to question it. They're going to be like, "Are you sure?" It's like, no. You say you can give us the shares. Give us the shares. That's how the CDOs are in the Big Short. Yes. Amy wants it. She's trying, man. She is trying. Every mortgage is synthetic anyways. You think the banks have all that money? Yeah. I could see what you're saying there. I could see what you're saying. Alrighty, folks. You guys having fun today? I'm having fun. We're making some money. Trade. Oh, there goes the SPY again, bouncing off that 200. All right, here's what we're going to do. If we get a 5-minute MACD cross to the upside and a closing candle above the 25 MA, I will spend the rest of my cash balance on calls. That sounds crazy. It's not a lot. It's really not that much. Because I've been slowly whittling it down with those, with trying to scale into some of these trades. Let's see here. Also, guys, make sure you guys are engaging with the content, helping get this info to, out to some more people. Thank you guys so much for the support that you guys showed this morning. That was crazy. eBay to add crypto payments. Yeah. Thoughts on a Strangle versus a slightly out of the money straddle? I like Strangles better. 109% on Oxy calls this morning. Happy birthday to me, Randy. Atta boy, making money over there, dude. That's the goal. I mean, we're waiting for AMC to take off. We have a big week this week. We got those 2 documentaries coming out. Well, the one documentary, the HBO one. And then we've got the Jon Stewart stuff with Matt, Jay Brown, and Dave Lauer. And I think there's another guy on there too that we're supposed to know. Gary Gensler's in it too, so that should be pretty cool. And then we got earnings. So earnings is going to be really, really big. SB versus Squirrel. All right. I want to be on the same side as Squirrel because what time's earnings? 5 tomorrow, 5 Eastern tomorrow. Why the 25 MA? I've just back tested a little bit and it uses it as a decent like resistance line. Did you see the AA tweet earlier? Yeah, about BitPay. I saw that. Here comes the SPY. SPY crossing on the 1 minute. Oh, that's kind of what I did on the other trade. That was kind of nasty. The one where I was on Gabe stream was essentially a 1 minute mac. Let's see if it breaks above this 200 EMA over here. Ho 00 Delta Fox. Thank you so much for the super. Tell me you love Amy. Of course I love Amy. Why wouldn't I love Amy? All right. SPY back to the upside now. Do you use all your settled cash every day? I think it might be busiest day. I've only used half. My account is under 5K. Nah, I typically do because I'm in and out of stuff quick. If I don't like it, I'm just out. I don't hold stuff and I don't go that big. Like I'll go in and out of stuff really quickly. Does constantly buying and immediately selling puts increase buying pressure? No, that would increase shorting. Are you going to live stream earnings tomorrow? Maybe. Hard maybe on that one. I'll let you guys know. Probably. I probably could do that. I could just stay on and just be like, all right, we're going to hang out until earnings. We just got an hour of downtime. Read your lawyer comment. What happened, Ryan? What'd you do? Did you ever read about the case of the lawyer in the 1970s in Missouri, I believe, that beat the local banks on mortgages, but a day or two later, central bank overturned it? No, I didn't see that. That's crazy. SB doing 441 SPY calls? No. That's deep. That's no. If I were to do SPY calls, they'd be 437, 438, probably. Maybe even 436. It depends on what the premium is going to be like as we get closer to 2. I just needed to pick a freaking direction, man. I'm going to play lucid earnings. And I swear, if anybody in this live chat asks me which direction, I'm going to slap you with a timeout because we cannot be doing this. We cannot have one-way earnings. All right, SPY coming back down on this 1 minute chart here, selling off over here. Rejected at the top of this little zone here. Let's see. Oh, you guys suck. I hate you. Dan, you're out. You guys suck. Mods, mods, this is your job. Handle it. Handle it. I made a statement. You have to follow through on it. You're like my henchman. Mods, get them. Mods, get them. Get them, mods. Get them, mods. I don't know where you are. Not a hedge fund and Ryan. This is your job. Go for it. Hit them. We're about to sacrifice the entire live chat over here. I asked her, Amy, which way? I'm not playing earnings. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. All right. Not a hedge fund coming clutch. Here we go. Bring it 100% losing, going up or down. Exactly. You just were asking for it, picking one side on earnings. No, you guys ask that question every single time we talk about earnings. And every single time I'm like, don't you dare play one side on earnings. These 416 pokes are so friggin' liquid. All right. Are they? Stop it. You guys are annoying. You guys can't take anything seriously. This is why we can't have nice things on the stream. This is why I record my videos with my phone or like the audio on my phone because of you guys right here. You got some SPY puts, Ben? Man, I'm looking for something. I'm just looking for something to happen, you know? I just want something. You know, I just want like some movement. Pick a direction. Let me make some money. Good afternoon. What's up, Mask Gang? How you guys doing? Lost all your money playing earnings one way? 1348. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Here, I lost my money last time on earnings. Listened to SB and only played one way. No, you didn't. You did the opposite of what I did then. Let's see. If the SPY makes a new low, I think it'll move. Well, that new low is far away, Ben. It's like 431, I think. Like, it's not close. Like, yeah, that's a $2 move. It's about 431.86. Like, there's been a lot of support at these levels right here. Like, it would really have to get selly, and I needed to do it in the next 13 minutes for me to trade it. Unless I'm going to go with something else. Let's see. Oh! What's up, Yamai? How you doing, buddy?
Beat him. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him.
Beat some of them. Beat some of them.
Damn it. Who beat me first?
Ben. Ben Levine got you.
Hey, Ben's back, baby.
Ben is back. I miss Ben.
Ben, how's the kid? How's the little one?
Atticus was watching the stream last week, I think, at some point.
Hey, I like it.
Dude, I've been scalping the shit out of SPY today.
I've been working Tesla. Same thing.
Oh, yeah?
I'm watching SPY, working Tesla. You're probably watching watching UVXY.
Yeah, in TLT. TLT's been weird though.
It's been moving. I feel like it's starting to get more attention and action.
Yeah, I think so too.
It just changes up how it moves a little bit. TMI, tell these mods to ban us.
Yeah, well, because they were asking about a one-way earnings thing again, and if I say it, if you guys ask for it, I'll slap you with a timeout, and then they all just said it, and I was like, I forgot how you guys function.
Tell me what not to do, and I will do.
Yeah, and then I was like, mods, handle it. This is your job. My henchman.
Oh shit, Mullen's falling, guys. Mullen's falling. Mullen's falling.
I told ya.
Be careful. Be careful.
There it is.
Oh, today Mullen was I was up 165%. I just sold my shares.
Woo! Yeah, I didn't touch it. I was like,
no
yeah,
options.
I don't like it.
No options. But I will get some options after this drop. After a pullback.
Okay.
Apparently Max Payne's at 250 this week.
For Mullen?
Yeah.
That must be just a boatload of puts. How did they?
I don't know.
Oh, because there's no chain. There's no chain below 1. Yeah, so there's not like it doesn't go down far enough for it to interesting.
Mullen. Yeah, 2.5. There's just nothing there.
Yeah. Made 100% on $1 calls. Whoo! I mean, it's almost not worth playing options on it. Just because like the IV is going to shoot up and they're going to be too expensive to begin with.
That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a pullback.
Oh, I just want SPY to pick a direction in the next 11 minutes so I can trade the dailies on it again. That's
Too bad
really all I want.
we sacrifice ourselves here for tribute. So I always have random guys just jumping in here. Sacrifice me for tribute. I'm like, okay. Ding.
Yeah, they always want to get sacrificed so we can run, which is fine. Like, I'm down to sacrifice people so we can get on a little spike.
It's the Mass Rancher. Yeah, I told people that I was gonna move to Texas and get a ranch.
That sounds cool. You can have
See?
horses?
See?
Oh, here it comes. Come on, spy. Pick a direction. Come on. Either way, up or down. Just do it.
Left or right? Come on. Come on.
Oh no. Yeah, dude. Gabe needs help with restream.
I know he was like, sorry, man. I was like, I don't know. I was so confused. I was like, why are you saying sorry? I was like, that's
He just went live. I was like, well, what are you doing? I was like, I'm coming over.
oh
I was just so
man.
confused. He was like, yeah, I said it was unlisted, and then it just went live, and I was like, you gotta schedule it and then say it's gonna be private and then get the link.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give him a call after this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna jump off. I'm gonna give him a call now.
All
Talk
right.
to you guys in a bit.
Later,
All right.
buddy.
Guys, don't forget to smash the like button, or else your mom's a chicken. I called their moms a chicken today on the stream, and they lost it.
Really?
They
They
were
didn't like
not
that
having it. You chicken eating. They went at each other. It's crazy. All right, guys, take care. Deuces.
Later, buddy. All right, people. You heard the man. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Spy is peeking its head out of this range again. It could get a little spicy. Amy's coming up here a little bit. Let's see if we can get that Don Julio 1942. Here we go. All right. You need to fuck off. All right. It's coming up here. The dogs are barking outside again. I don't know whose dogs they are, but they need to stop. He's calling Melvin. I feel like Amy wants it. Yeah. Are you banned from the chat? No, you're not, Richard. I see you. I see you, Apple. All right. Here comes Spy. All right. Damn, we got 4 minutes till that closing candle. That's so annoying. That is all right. We got the 5-minute MACD cross though. Time to scale in. YOLO. Wait, how much? Does this need to work for me? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. All right, let's see. Calls. Oh, they're cheap. They're cheap. I'm waiting. I'm hunting the spy here, people. Let's see what we get over here. Amy's coming up a little bit. Let's see. What's the high? 1934. We almost got to Don Julio today. Here we go. Don't do it, says Ben. Ben's got the spy puts. Uh-oh. Here we go, everybody. Let's see here. It's still range bound. You're still range bound, Ben. I'm just kidding. TMI's making the 2 p.m. margin calls. Yeah, you're right. That's what he's doing. 5-minute MACD cross. If this starts to get a little spicy, which I'd love it to do on a 5-minute MACD cross, run it, Spy. Get up there. I don't have the calls yet. I haven't done anything yet. I'm waiting. Playing the Hopium cross on Micron? Uh-oh. I wouldn't. Today, Micron doesn't look all that spicy. Micron just looks, there is no Hopium cross. The only cross is down on Micron. What about like Lucid? We'll leave Lucid up because I might play their earnings just for funsies. You made 30% on spy puts now today, and you're up 10% on spy calls. SCV versus Squirrel. Squirrel, we going calls? Oh, wait, you don't. Damn, click the damn like button, says Robert. Appreciate that, buddy. All right, let's see here. Amy, 1879. GME, 121.94, up 2.83%. Amy's up 6.5%. All right, spy looks like it wants to get spicy. Very spicy on the spy. Oh, this is unfortunate. I have to go for these kind of YOLO-y contracts, which is fine. It's fine, you know. All right. We got 2 minutes left in this candle. Let's see what happens. It's a double Hopium cross. All right. Do you sell your red options or let them expire? 15, 20% stop. All the time. Mental. It's a mental stop for me. I just watch them. Spy with the George W. Yeah, honestly, it is. So. Bum, 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 bum. All right, people. Up 5.5% or dollars on DraftKings. Either way, really good. Quick 50% gainer on Roblox calls. Thank you, 1348. Damn, that was a good one. That was a good one. All right, folks. Let's see what we get over here. Strangle or Stratalucid? Strangle. Have I seen Mullen? I have seen Mullen. I've seen a lot of Mullen today. Everybody's mulling around. Oh, wait, I can get a couple of these. Let's see what happens with the spy here. I might be able to get a couple. Spy about to be a George M. Ben's calling the spy to the downside. I mean, it's already got this W here. If it breaks, What is this? 435.50. Then we could see boom boom season. BBJ is a sellout 260 of 100K. Well, that's not great if you want it to go up. That's like not what you want to see, like at all. My spy puts were in profit 2 times. I'm still holding. Dang. Yeah, I was in and out of spy puts quick. All right, new candle on the spy. I swear to God. Okay, now I'm waiting for the 1348 is actually what I'm looking for here. So I'm just kind of waiting for a 1348 on the spy. I have 5 minutes, or else I might have to just get one little contract as a YOLO. If spy breaks 435.40, we fly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. But now it's just being a little a-hole right here, not doing what we want it to do. It's going to wait past 2. They're not going to let me trade it. And then spy's going to go on a freaking moon mission, and I'm going to be stuck with nonsense like Apple. I don't know why that Mullen comment made me laugh out loud. Everyone just mulling around. Exactly. They are. Mullen shorted just at 90%. Well, that's fucking high. That shouldn't be there. All right. Countdown to margin calls. Yeah. Spy breaks 432.66. We submarine. Yeah. If you time me out, I won't buy 100 contracts to short. You can't buy 100 contracts to short. That's not how it works. So, All right, here comes the spy trying here. I don't know. It needs to go. So, Amy 1871 over here. It's called a double top. You're a double top. All right, let's see. I mean, I do want it to double top. I just want me to get calls before it double tops. I got 4 minutes left. Shit. All right, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Spy, just do a 1348 here and let me get some freaking calls. Charles, thanks to the super buddy. Please look at IMPB. It's been running for a week. Thank you. Yeah, it's oil play. It's running. It's cheap. Be careful with it though. It's a Spy, you fucking asshole. Yeah, it's coming down now. It's up 12.6% today. Looking all right. Where's TLT and UVXY? But Charles, thank you so much for that super buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, IMPP, it's got high short interest. I think that's a highly shorted one, and it's an oil play, so that one could be decent. SB is getting spicy because he knows his ankles are going to be exposed this week. Exactly. The case would be interesting to you. The lawyer had the president of the bank admit banks create money out of thin air. Judge called it illegal and eliminated the mortgage. Wait, what? You got a meeting in 4 minutes too? Ben. At 3 minutes now. Damn, man. It's coming down to the wire. It's coming down to the wire, man, for these spy calls. All right, let's see. It just needs one big can. Shoot, it's not going to do it. Where's it on the 1 minute? No, it's not going to do it because the candle needs to close, I think, for the 13 and 48 to do it. So I think I'm screwed on it. Maybe I'll get one as a YOLO. Maybe that's what we do. Or I can get 2 as a YOLO. I think I want a YOLO. Or I'll get one of these as a YOLO. I don't know. We got less than 2 minutes to go. YOLO the VIX? I might have to YOLO the VIX today. Not the actual VIX, like the SPY. And then the VIX would go down. So if you want a YOLO. How much is this? All right. You got 2 minutes to go. SPY's moving down here. I got my contracts locked and loaded, ready to go if I want to do it. I just need it to get a little pop. So TLT coming up here a little bit. Spicy. Maybe. I don't know. I'm hunting. Why are you talking like Batman? Because I am Batman. And Batman comes out this week, and I'm going to see it. I already have my tickets. I'm really excited to go see Batman. Sorry, I'm really excited. All right, Spy's not helping here. Why can't you just get Wednesday options? What's the fun in that? That's not as fun. Like, he's doing it. I haven't done it yet. No, they're dirt cheap now. If Spy goes on a moon mission into close. All right, less than a minute to go. Let's see. If it pulls back up to out of the box, I'm running it. All right, you're done. Bye-bye. Hide user from this channel. Goodbye. All right, let's see here. He will do it, then paper hand it? Nah, I'm running it. Screw you, William. I'm running it right now. Got him. So I've YOLO'd. It's a bear flag STV. Don't trust it. You know what, Dan? I'm gonna have to not trust you right now. Sorry. That's how it's gotta be, buddy. You got $2 out of the money both ways on Lucid. Yeah. Spy needs a Lou candle. It does. Ha, I'm in the green. Option spread for Spy is wonky. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I just kind of want to mess around with it, see what happens. I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. Do you worry that the earnings estimates that they already list might be priced in? It depends. Earnings one way. Stop it, Tim. Here comes the boom boom. Spy. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, man. Bounce off that 13. Bro, are you kidding me? Oh. Hold on. This sucks. Yeah, whenever I say I'm YOLOing something, you never should do it because, like, literally 1 times out of 10 they work. Inverse STV, dude, literally at 2. New candle, dead candle. What are these at now? How much are these down? Those would be down. Okay, we're still within the stop. Not for long, though. Not for long. Struggling. Top tick, double top. Yeah, dude, I'm really good. Dude, I want the double top up here. This is the double top that I want. Oh, don't you do that to me, Spy. All right. TLT coming up now. Amy coming down a little bit. Let's see what happens. Screw your call. Ben, I appreciate it, buddy. Watch these just print by the end of the day. Bear flag. No, I'm holding it. I'm still fine. I barely put any money into it. I'm just having fun. I wanted some exposure to feel something going into the end of the day to keep myself energized, you know? Because if I just kind of sit here and don't do anything, like I'll get like a little tired. You totally bought puts, right? No. I bought calls. That's where gambling gets you? Exactly. Clock ticking? No, I already did it. Oh. Well, this has not gone as planned. Let's see. What are your thoughts on the March 3rd Lou squeeze? You guys already know what I think about that. Let's see here, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream as you're filtering in. Amy coming down to the 48 EMA over here. TLT flickering. Putin's make you feel powerful, like puts. Jesus Christ, why is this candle so big? All I had to do was buy puts. All right, I have a mental stop on how much pain I'm willing to take on this. The 1 minute just blew itself up. It just said, no, I'm gonna, nope. All right. That was just, let's see. Shut up, Ben. Shut up, Ben. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Let's see. Amy coming down to this 48 right here. Watch these go big green. Now let it go so it can go up. I'm not selling it, bro. Not yet. It's bouncing around this 200 EMA like it's been doing. Then it rallies back up. Like it's done this a few times and then whoop, right back up. So let's see what happens. TLT still coming up. Everyone traded today against you. That's fine. It's a silly YOLO going at the end of the day. Like I'm perfectly all right with it. TLT, nice pop. Yeah, we've messed around with TLT a few times in the past, and it's just not as fun as it should be. Sucks when that happens. Yeah. It's a good thing I didn't throw big money at it. Like, I wouldn't have done that, though. Like, it's just a tiny little YOLO. Actually, I still have settled cash. I still have settled cash that I can trade with. So, Ben, if I want to get on with puts with you, I can. Actually, no, I can't. I was screaming for you not to buy the call. I have calls, and every time you buy it after I do, it tanks. You're a jigs today? No, I actually did really good today, especially on the SPY, just not recently. Not like in the last couple, just trying to play around over here. All right, now it's, why are the premiums holding? That just makes no sense as to why the premiums are holding on this. See, triple bottom. That's what I'm calling right here. I'm going to call it triple bottom right here. That's what we're going to do. How much of your portfolio is your YOLO budget? Like the 1%, something, nothing like that. All right. SPY's selling here. Big 5-minute candle. Big 5-minute candle here. SPY looks weak. No shit. Yeah, let's see what it does on this other candle. I'm going to load up puts just for fun. Because if we want to play it on the way down, I can. Oh, I can't do it on the daily. I'm so pissed. Where's Apple? Or UVXY? I can do UVXY. if it gets giant candles here. I recommend chasing Mullen. No. Holy shit, you killed the spy? Yeah, this is fucking bullshit. Fuck. That's hilarious. I mean... Oh, green candle. Come on. Rip right back up. Do it. Do it, spy. Tell all these people that I was right. Come on. Let's do it. Amy trying to come back up here. Now I'm going to pull a you guys. Ready? Oh, it's coming down. I'm going to pull a you guys. Hey, stop betting against the spy. It's going to bring Amy down with it. You chose poorly. Yeah, I did. Thank you, STV. You're welcome, Squirrel. You are welcome for that one. That candle is too big. Yeah, I know. That's nonsense. Puts on the spy. Careful. Careful. It could just... I mean, now it's ready to sell. Like, now it's ready to start selling. What's the news for that Doom spy candle? I didn't... Puts at 122%. There you go. Don't worry. It'll go to 439. Oh, there it goes. All right. Here's what we're going to do. You, Vixie. We're going to make it all back right now. Oh, I can't. I could do this. All right. Hashtag YOLO. Bing bong. SCV's down on his spy calls. All right. Let's see here. Putin's. There you guys go. Axon cross down. I'm going to pull you guys. Yeah. Must be the 2 p.m. margin calls coming in. Apparently, that is exactly what's going on right now. All right. Amy, 1848, chilling over here. Yeah, flickering. All right. Let's see what happens with this. Buy another call now. I can't. I was trying to play it as a potential breakout before 2, which it didn't do. It said, nope, sorry. AMC earnings is before open. Also, guys, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see. You got 420 Putins for Wednesday. Jesus. Signals are all wrong, but I really want to place puts on Oxy. You could have. You should have YOLO'd into Micron puts. Probably should have YOLO'd into SPY puts. I'd be up a boatload right now. All right. Here comes UVXY up. So now I'm making some money back on the UVXY, which is nice. Flickering, nursing. I got a lot of them like that. All right, people. Let's see. Oh, my spy is selling. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Bye spy call. Get that shit out of here. All right, spy call is dead. But now I'm playing UVXY. So now I'm on your side, right? I'm on your guys' side now. Let's see, people. So if UVXY could go on a moon mission, that'd be greatly appreciated. And if Spy wants to fall now, I'm perfectly fine with that because I have UVXY call. And I mean singular because I have no settled cash left. Are you? No, I'm not touching AMC earnings. There's a new low of the day. Ha! Huh? Oh, Ben. You had to be that guy. All right, let's see. I love AMC's, or I love what AMC's already released for their earnings. I think it's really good so far. I think it's doing really good. All right, SPY moving down a lot. So UVXY, your time to shine, buddy. We shall be victorious together. Yeah, thanks. Now the SPY can run since you sold. No, it was one or the other. It was going to do this or it was going to shoot up. So look at this. Look at this. These are giant candles to the downside. UVXY should start ripping here, which is fine because I now have UVXY calls. There we go. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. What's happening with the SPY? I mean, looks like a lot of fear candles are coming through. Boeing temporarily closed office in Kiev, paused operations in Moscow. Interesting. Diamond, there are a lot of workarounds for Swift. All right, well, SPY is selling. Go, UVXY. Help me out here. You gonna help me, UVXY? Come on, let's do it. It's not helping me that much. You guys are printing on those puts. So you're saying you should have played both directions? Yeah, I literally should have just strangled it. Let's see. 7% up on UVXY. Nice. Love it. Love it. Here comes SPY on the downside again. UVXY. If this pumps to 19, I mean, that'd be pretty sweet in terms of like getting some money back. Don't you know you're supposed to play SPY margin calls both ways? I should have known. I should have known, man. Guys, also, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. It is the day before earnings on Amy. Amy's still having a great day, up 3.9%. The SPY is capitulating right now, not having a good time. UVXY moving up, so watch out below on the SPY. Let's see. 177%. Bing bong. Shoulders and biceps today. There you go. I got to do legs today. I'm going to hate my life. You know, happens. All right. SPY still down. UVXY coming up. What are these up now? 8%. We were close. We were just, see, okay. Perfect example of earnings right here. You're like, oh, it's going to move. I just played it to the upside and then it tanks. You're like, oh, shoot. All I had to do was get a contract on the other side too. I didn't see any news on it. I literally did not see any news on this. My SPY and NVIDIA puts are printing. There you go. Amy coming back. I'm done with the SPY. Sold a loss. Now they'd be up 100%. No, you just gotta trade it more and see where it's going. Like I was holding puts for a while. Like around here, I had a lot of puts. If I just held it through this, I'd been golden. But I was just trying to get quick flips in and out today. That was kind of the goal of mine. Just like quick flips. Don't stay in stuff for too long. If I held it more, I'd probably be up 200% on SPY puts. Am I now? No, which is fine. Let's see. You're gonna come off as a show, but until these YouTubers start increasing their positions in AMC, I won't be buying any more shares. Why the fuck do I have to buy shares to entice you to buy more shares? And who's to say that I haven't been buying more shares? What if I just don't say it? Why does it matter what I do or what anybody else does? We're just like you. It doesn't matter. No. Earnings is after close tomorrow. So institutions are just crying like babies and selling everything. That's what it looks like, Ryan. Check DM. I don't, because it's your, I know you're sending the gains over here. Whoa. There you go. That's a good one. You're out of my puts 75%. Woo. There you go. It's the classic Portnoy. Yeah. Double bottom on what? It's already past the bottom. So double bottom from like the pre-market might come down to here, 430.52. If it does, ruh-roh. SCV paper handed SPY put, but got 50% profit. I think it was like 40. And then the second one was like 30. Let's see. Watch the SPY just go on an absolute fucking moon mission. You took profits on half. There you go. Financial media trying to boost their puts by spreading fear of nuclear war. Yeah. You've been in Ape for a while. Okay, if you've been in Ape for a while, why does it matter what I do? It literally does not matter. And that's the other thing. If you're going to say that if I buy and then you're going to buy, I'm never going to tell you when I'm buying then. Like never. I will just never, ever tell you again when I'm going to buy if my buying decision is what you're basing your buying decision off of. I'll just never tell you again. You got 50% profit. There you go. Like why? Like, cause that's the thing. Like then now I know that if I tell you that I'm buying, then you're going to buy. So that's just, now I'm not going to tell you because that's silly. Verizon puts printing from this morning's cross, 25%. There you go. There you go. All right. I think we're going to, SPY is not looking good. Yeah. I wanted to buy SPY calls, but I didn't trust it when you bought. Neither did I. I was just having fun. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. Gets more people in here with the algorithm. I'm only going to base my decisions on what you don't say. Dan, perfect. That's how you got to do things over here. All right, people. So, woo! I'm perfectly capable of losing money with my own original bad trade. Yeah, exactly. I'm still green on the day. So let's see. SPY trying to make a watch SPY go on a moon mission, and I was right all along. Let's see. No, it's a Leo Rev. It's a shadow of my Christmas tree that's still up and will be up until I leave here. Can 1348 get alerts on a 4-hour? It's on the 4-hour in the Discord. Just stole my spy put 230%. Finally back in. There you go. All right, Diamond M&A this year won't be like last year, but we'll be fine. Diamond sees metaverse as long term. What? So you're gonna buy Facebook, bro? Crazy behavior out of you. Crazy behavior. Oxy 11%. Yeah. I've got a credible source on Twitter that says we break through 1999, we are guaranteed to hit 20. Smart, man. All right, SPY moving back up here. SPY will close around 425 or 427 today. Says, damn, that's aggressive, bro. That's it. What's it on the 1 minute here? The 48? Oh, it's testing the 13 here. So you guys are actually good on these SPY puts. So it's testing this 13 and then might reject back down and make a new low. Like that could be decent over here. So UVXY trying to come back up. Looks like the SPY just woke up and had a bad hangover. Yeah. 10-minute cross, 1348. Ooh, 100% on a SPY put you bought Friday. Congratulations, man. All right, Amy, 1850. Let's see. Open options account and approve. When I try to buy a call, Weeble alerts it says I'm restricted. You may not have settled cash in there to trade with. Have I gone through the Citadel's financials release today yet? No. Did they release their... Where's that? Does somebody have it? Probably my notification somewhere. Vegas. Let's see. I'm trying to find it. The Citadel stuff. Oh, here it is. Citadel's getting in front. The one number stands out. 65 billion securities sold, not yet purchased. That's shorts. What? Yeah, but it's net, isn't it? Oh shit. That is insane. Wow. Wow. Hold on. Total liability is 74. Yeah, but they're net securities borrowed. It says 1.8 billion. Securities sold, not yet purchased. So how are they? Are they just over leveraged to the tits on shorts? How the hell have they done that? Securities loaned. They didn't load. They only load 906 million. I mean, that's a lot, but that's insane. How do they have 65 billion securities sold, not yet purchased? That's ridiculous. Hold on. We're going to look at this. You got nothing really is happening over here. I'll look at this a little bit, right? I mean, your SPY puts are doing well, but let me take a look. Where's the link to this? Here it is. Oh, 2021 financial statement. Here we go. Okay, so I've read things in the past from like Knight Capital that the way that they hide synthetics is putting it in that securities sold, not yet purchased at fair value. I was going to make a video, SPY back down. I was going to make a video on that one time, but it seemed a little bit too out there that you couldn't really verify it. But that is a possibility. PwC did this. Interesting. Cash securities owned at fair value, 73 billion. Okay. Securities sold, not yet purchased at fair value, 65 billion. That's freaking nuts. Total liabilities and members' capital, 79 billion. Okay, so that's interesting. Let me see. I'm going through it right now a little bit. As of December, fair value of securities borrowed and loaned / loaned. Cash collateral pledged or received. Securities borrowed, 1.8 billion. So are they saying that they pledged 1.8 billion? And they have 65 billion in shorts. I'm reading from Citadel's new like financial statements. All right, SPY being weird over here. How did they do that? You know what, the OREV? No. I'm just saying, like, no one's regulating that. No. I know. Why is that such a bad thing, though? Given the state of things, because that's a crazy leverage level. Like, it's crazy. SPY Putins. I mean, you're doing good on them right now. Where's that on the 1 minute? It's right around the 13. So I'll leave this added on the 1 minute for you guys so you can watch it. All right. back to this thing here. All right, here we go. Repurchase agreements. What? 16 billion overnight and open. So that's repo, it looks like. Assets, counterparty netting. What the hell is this nonsense? Oh, they're participating in reverse repos. The following table presents information about reverse repurchase agreements and repurchase agreements. Value securities collateral received from reverse repurchase agreements, 15 billion. Fair value securities pledged, 18 billion. So the bonds went up, I think. Let's see. Options. Oh, they have a boatload of options. Gross derivative assets. Their derivatives are almost as much as their total actual assets. That's pretty crazy. Liabilities. Here we go. Okay. So they're it looks like they're short 15 billion of government bonds. Wait, level 1 and level 2. Hold on, we're going to do this a little bit. You guys want me to pull this up on the screen for you so you can see where I'm going with it? Do you guys want me to look at that? He's not even talking about Mullen. Have fun. You might get rug pulled. STV knows nothing. That's funny. All right, I'll pull it up for you. All right, so now what I'm doing, I literally am just trying to look at where's level 1 because it set it back up here somewhere. Like, what is this? Level 1, unadjusted quote prices in active markets. Quote prices in markets that are not considered active. Oh, okay. So it's just like how they're quoting it. So this is what I'm looking at right here. Government securities liabilities at fair value. This would mean they're shorting it most likely. U.S. government securities, 15 billion. Equity securities, 13 billion. Total trading liabilities, 29 billion. So it's a little bit more if they look at the different quotes. But the total is 65 billion. Derivatives, there you go. Options, 35 billion. Gross derivative liabilities, 35 billion. Here it is. That's where you get that 65 billion number from. So you get 29 billion from like actual like equity securities and bonds, and then all these derivatives. So they're short, not a lot of futures, but a lot of options. So they're selling a lot of options. What is what it looks like. What does it all mean? I'm too much. Remove it. No. All right. Let me go through this a little bit more. I'm going to talk about this in the video tonight. So total. So you see this total liability amount of 70 billion right here. Let's see. In the tables above, trading asset, trading liabilities, options, warrants, including securities owned or securities sold, not yet purchased as applicable. Future swaps and related collateral are included in receivables from brokers and dealers. Discussed in note 2. There were no level 3. Okay. No, it's the same as borrowing. Credit agreement, loans, and interest payable. Expenses. Pursuant to affiliates direct and personal. Inter-service agreement with affiliates. Affiliates. Interesting. Receivable. Okay. Risk management. Here we go. Market risk. The market risk depends on exchanges. The company sells various financial instruments which it does not yet own. Oh, there you go. Here we go. Right here. Boom. Here we go, people. This is fun. You guys ready for this? The company sells various financial instruments which it does not yet own or which are consumed by the consummated. By the delivery of borrowed financial instruments, short sales. The company is exposed to market risk for short sales. A short sale involves the risk of an unlimited increase in the market price of a particular investment sold short, which could result in an inability to cover the short position and unlimited loss. There can be no assurance that securities that the short position. Hold on. Sorry, I can't read it. Small. There can be no assurance that securities necessary to cover a short position will be available for purchase. Holy shit. I mean, this just looks like a disclosure, but this is a pretty wild disclosure. Let's see. Bear flag. Is SPY coming down? Oh, UVXY coming up? There we go. All right. Yeah, SPY's coming down here. But this is more interesting right here. So to attempt to manage the market risk, the company may hold financial instruments which it can be used to hedge or settle these obligations and monitors its market exposure daily, adjusting financial instruments as deemed necessary. Additionally, the company's ability to conduct short sales on certain specified securities could be restricted due to regulatory and legislative rules, thus resulting in reduced inventory of securities available for borrowing and increased transaction costs related to short selling. Ooh. Interesting, people. Still going the wrong way. Spy's coming down pretty hard here, so watch out. Hold on. Let me see if I can find anything else. Hold on. Let me write this down. Why are you in the dark? I'm not in the dark. All right, hold on. What do we want over here? All right, this is interesting. All right, the company seeks to reduce its exposure to credit risk associated with counterparty non-performance under bilateral OTC. Okay, yeah, it doesn't really matter. Currency risk, I don't really care. Liquidity and leverage risk. Oh, what's this? The company generally invests on a leverage basis, both through its financing and loan agreements. The use of leverage can significantly magnify both gains and losses, increasing the possibility of the company incurring a substantial loss. Leverage through margin borrowings generally requires collateral to be posted with prime brokers, custodians, and counterparties. Market value movements could result in prime broker, custodian, and counterparty under their respective agreements with the company having the right to reduce the value of collateral or to require posting of additional collateral. Margin call. Potentially will result. Oh yeah, right here. This could result. Yeah. Interesting. All right, and then these are some of the derivatives over here. Doesn't it say those numbers are in millions? Yes. So when you see like anything that's in the thousands, that's billions. So derivatives, average quarterly notion. Yeah. Wait, what the? Okay, so this is the total. That's huge. That's 458, or I think that's 4 trillion in notional derivatives. So this is Bank of America Merrill Lynch. That's who they use as their prime broker. Hold on. There's something right here. So the company has performed an evaluation of subsequent events through February 25th, 2022, which is the date of the financial statement. Yeah. Okay. I don't think that's anything right here. This is getting interesting though, people. All right. We'll go over this a little bit more in the video tonight, but this is Citadel's new financial statement that's come out. So that's pretty interesting. So SPY's trying to come back up a little bit. UVXY is coming back down. FTDs are up for AMC, 200K. That's not bad. FTDs were a page up. Hold on. They have. Let's see. Failure to intervene. I don't see any failure to deliver. Securities failed to deliver. 440 million dollars worth. Okay. That's pretty interesting. Let's see. Alrighty, here we go, people. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm here. I mean, the SPY's coming down a little bit here. Let's see what happens with UVXY and SPY going into the end of the day. Yeah, AMC March 3rd doesn't mean anything. It's FUD. It's not FUD. It's just misguided bullshit. Okay? That's what it is. UPS is a union. They can't just cut pay like that. Is that a real story? I call BS. I haven't seen that. All right, let's see. SPY's moving back down again. Let's see what happens with UVXY doing its thing over here. Let's see. Breaking Moscow warns against supplying lethal weapons to Ukraine. Wait, what the hell? It's not FUD. Could it be mud? Misguided uncertainty and doubt? Maybe. All right, SPY's moving down here. Let's see what happens with UVXY if it starts to pump. Amy trying here. Let's see. You need to stub your toe for ruining my SPY calls. That was not my fault, man. That was not my fault. All right, people. Let's see what we get over here. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Why are you drinking I'm not drinking aquarium water. Why do you think it says alkaline? I don't even know. It's not. It's like tap water, bro. Relax. Let's see. It's just more dates. Exactly. Like, why are we putting dates on it? It's just silly. Facebook newsfeed is flooded with President Biden going to DEF CON 2. Know anything about it? Nope. I do not, actually. Batman, 96% Rotten Tomato ratings. Reviews are coming out fire. Ooh, that's good. I'm going to see it on Sunday. I can't wait, man. 375% on 2 runner contracts. There you go. Yeah, how do you have 2,000 people watching and only 500 likes? I don't know, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button. It helps out a whole lot getting more people in here. So yeah, if you guys want to help out, we're watching Amy looking at the Citadel stuff. Here we go. What do you think about BBIG? They need to announce their the Cryptide stuff. All right, let's see what happens with SPY over here. Okay, it's rejecting off that 13 EMA on the 1 minute. Let's see if it comes down and makes a new low. Premiere tomorrow. Well, I'm going on Sunday. 212 on a SPY put. Woo! He usually drinks water. I have an old milk jug. It's a gallon jug. It's a normal gallon jug. Let's see. All right, we're getting some news over here. I don't see anything really crazy going on. So UVXY just kind of telling, what are these contracts at right here? I mean, I might just ditch it, get some money back. Ditch it. Oh, it's not bad. Up 10%. Are you playing Lucid Earnings? Yes, I will be playing Lucid Earnings. I bet $69 on 2250 call that your ankles are on YouTube by 311. Nikki, there you go, buddy. There you go. That's not bad. That's not bad. All right, let's see what we got over here. Mullen getting it. I'm not touching it. Let's see here. Is AMC about to cross in the 5 minute? Down, yes. It's about to cross down. SPY movement back up. Is SPY gonna break up or down? Oh, I don't know, man. It looks like it wants to go down, but we'll see what happens going into the end of the day. Let's see here. Alkaline water brings the MOAS. I guess, man. What direction? Stop it. Stop it. Unusual whales tweet on the Citadel report. Yeah, let me look. Where did that go to a tweet? Unusual whales. Citadel Securities just released your 21-time financial statement. Here's the line items for liability and titles. Stocks sold, not yet purchased over time. Holy shit. That's 25 billion in 2019, 57 million in 2020, 65 million in 2021. So they're shorting a lot of stuff. All right, that should have hit right here. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, SPY, big red over here. Let's see what we're going to get until the end of the day. Yeah, so here's the SPY break. UVXY looking undecided on the 5 minute. You're correct on that one. I mean, it's already up 12% on the day with the SPY down 1.6. What does it mean when both call and put are going down? One, the stock is probably trading flat or volatility is coming down. Amy just crossed down. Yeah, but it's still above the 200 EMA. That's not bad. Let's see. UVXY selling a little here. Let's see. Sounds like a put fund, not a hedge fund. There's a lot of shorting going on over there. A lot of shorting going on over at the Citadel. All right, people. Okay. UVXY chilling out over here. Amy, 1835. Let's see what we get. What caused the SPY dip? I didn't see any news on it. I think it was just overall weakness and fear. What is selling Amy right now? Guys, stop it. Amy, every single stock is going to move with the market. The market is coming down. AMC is going to go down with it. That's just how it works. SPY has good support here. Oh, is this at the pre-market? Yeah, it's at this level in the pre-market, this little V that we're seeing here. SPY going to close green? That would be ridiculously crazy if we saw the SPY close green. That would be wild. Alrighty. Magic Mike, stop trying to play earnings one way. Always both ways. Always both ways. We need a Lou candle on AMC. We do need a Lou candle. We need a couple of Lou candles on AMC. So pump in the market would wreck slash bankrupt Citadel and no, because they have like actually net long positions, I think, but it's still a lot of shorting. Like if you look back up here, and you just look at the total numbers. Like, look, they have liabilities that they have here, or where is it? Security sold not yet purchased at fair value. You see 65 billion, but the total liabilities here is 74 billion. But the total assets is 79 billion. So they're net long, but they're still hedging. But that's still a boatload of shorting going on. And then there's a lot of derivatives with it too. Like, that's the thing. It's like they're levered. UVXY trying to move up a little here. Amy 1834, still up 3.83%, looking good. Lucid too expensive, pricing in too much on earnings. Yeah. $2 out of the money. You could do that. I bet you already told everyone, but I guess I missed it. Can you explain how to play earnings both ways? You just buy calls and puts on either side. And then you hope you let one of them, ideally one of them goes to zero. One side goes to absolutely zero. And then the other one goes wild up in value. That's ideally what happens. Hacking Group Anonymous has reportedly said it will transfer money from all Russian bank accounts to Ukrainian army if they don't stop protesting the war. Whoa, that is reckless. That is really reckless. They're just going to start stealing money. I don't necessarily agree with that. Just because like the citizens didn't do anything. It wasn't their fault. So why steal their money when their economy is already tanking? I honestly don't agree with that. But yeah. Can you three have a hotel seminar in Florida? 3K cost is our account trading opening balance. No. No, we cannot do that. That's like really scammy and everybody would yell at us. No, we have the Discord. If you guys want to join it, it's in the top. You can learn that way. That has everything you need to know. And we do the private live streams so you guys can learn that way. We're not, Nikki. I understand your point, but like the amount of outcry that would happen for that and like the amount of value you would probably get out of it, you'd probably get a lot, but you can get the same thing with our Discord, which in my opinion is the best Discord that has ever existed. Just because we actually teach you and we're not just like, buy this, sell this. Gabe was joking about seminars earlier. Was he? Yeah, I don't know what he said, but I'm not really down for any of that. If Anonymous could do that, why don't they cancel student and medical debt? Exactly. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Like, why wouldn't they? I also don't agree with, I just don't agree with that at all. You're going to steal money from citizens that it wasn't their choice to do this. And and you're like, oh, you have to go protest. It's like, you're literally going to steal their money. And if not, you're enticing them to go protest. But if they protest, they might die. It's like, come on now, relax. Let's see. That I don't agree with. I think there's other ways to do it. I think they should do a lot of other things. Amy, 1835 on Amy. Pool party in Florida. See, that I'm down with. Can you do the buy this, sell this voice again next time you call the spy? Man, Lucid earnings should be today. Let me take a look. I don't know. Unless you guys have just completely lied to me that it's not today, which is possible. Oh, no, it is today. Nice. All right. So I'm probably going to. Whoa. Okay, I know what well, that's deep out of the money, but I'm gonna do it, you know? I'm just gonna run it with Lucid. Let's see here. Yeah, Lucid earnings is after us today. I just confirmed it. Yeah, I don't like that move. Lockheed Cross? Yeah, I'm not touching Lockheed anymore today. Just gonna kind of leave it be. Father pool protest? No. Yeah, it's staying after ours. Let's see. No, it's expensive, but I'll still do it. So there are some stocks that I know can move big, and even if they're pricing it a lot, I'll just still play it a little bit just for fun. How's the options flow for Lucid? No idea. I don't think the options flow is really that good at predicting where things are going to move on earnings because nobody knows. And if somebody knows, you would be able to pick it up on earnings. I just haven't looked at enough of them to be like, yeah, it's trustworthy. Oh, what's up, Long? How you doing, buddy? All right, guys. So as you guys are filtering in, all you new people, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. All right, hold on. We're getting some news over here. State Department spokesperson. Then okay, that's nothing. Earnings after hours. There's a list. Charles Payne tweet. Nothing too wild going on over here. All right, let's see what happens with the spy. Can't wait to see the live streams after AMC moons. Dude, it's going to be fun. When we are streaming, when the thing is mooning, we are going to have some fun. Let's see. Very rude to announce burnings on a Monday when the premiums are the highest. Yeah, it sucks. It's fine, though. It gives you a little bit more time that, like, now I don't have to go for the next week. I can still play the weekly and be like, all right, this isn't the worst idea in the world. There's still enough time on it where you could be all right. I don't think Lucid met deliveries, did they? They may not meet earnings. That's fine. I mean, I'm going to play it both ways. We can do it on either way with them. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? All right, let's see what we got over here, folks. Spy about to capitulate harder than any of us have ever seen. I don't know about that today, Dan. It's already it's in the zone. We've seen it. I think we've seen it come down low into the zone before. Where's that right now? 431? Yeah. Let's see. All right, folks. Let's see. Disney's flying? No, or DSS. What was that? Yeah, whatever this is. Penny stock. Yeah, no, thank you. No, thank you. What's like DWAC doing? Because DWAC was getting a nice 1348 today. Oh, look at that. Shark fin. With some spikes on it, too. When you play earnings, you get the same call and put strike. No, different and no stop. You get stop loss on earnings. There is no stop loss. It's you hit it or you don't. It's very, very binary with earnings. That's why you can't trade with any money that you really care about. 300% on your spy put today. There you go. Happy birthday. Thank you. It's not my birthday, but I really appreciate that. Let's see here. Alrighty. Crocodile tail, not a shark fin. Oh, that's fair. We can call it a crocodile tail. Amy coming back up here a little bit. 1839. About to hit 1840. Little nice little candle here. I like this. Any particular reason why you're not comfortable playing AMC earnings? Because here's the deal. If I say I'm playing AMC earnings, I would be buying calls and puts. And then everybody would be like, oh my God, why are you buying puts on AMC? You're a shill. You just sold your position. Oh my God. And then I'd be like, fuck, I don't want to deal with this. So I'm not playing it. I also play it anyway. I don't think the premium is going to be too high. Like, and everybody would lose their mind. It's like, it's not worth it. I've told you guys when I'm going to start buying contracts for AMC and like what I need to see. And until that happens, I'm just going to hold my shares and buy more when I can. So let me get this straight. Spy tanks and Amy's up 4%. Yeah, pretty much. It's also the day before earnings. Like we're looking decent over here. I do not play the same strike on earnings now. Let's see. Just play both and don't tell us anything. I actually don't want to play it. Like there's no point in me. There's no real point in playing AMC earnings for me. Yeah, you can make a little bit of money. It's not worth it could be a complete dud. And then I don't want to be sitting here like hoping that it goes down and have the put side go. I just don't. It's not for me. With the power voting, we can change STV's birthday to today. No, we can't do that. We can't do that. All right, Amy, 1846, looking all right. Whoa, spy with a big candle right here. How's that feeling on your puts, people? I understand. Thank you for that insight. Screw everyone's opinion on what you do or don't. Yeah, exactly. But like, I'm just not doing it. Because everybody's all like, everybody's all like on edge right now. Like if you do one thing that people misinterpret, then like all over Twitter, they're going to be like STV bought puts on AMC. And it's like, I don't need any of that. I don't need any, because then you're going to see these dumbass Twitter accounts that think they know stuff. And they're going to be like, but you're buying put. It's like, fuck off. I don't need that. I'll just sit here with my shares and the options that I already have. I'm playing calls. I don't care if it tanks. I own shares. That's fair. That's very fair. 435 incoming. That would be ridiculous. That would be crazy. All right. DWAC pop. Amy, 1844. Let's see what we got. Got out of spy calls at a loss. Now it wants a candle. Yeah, dude. It happens every single time. Let's see here. All righty, folks. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for your support. Spy is going on a mission here. Let's see. Was STV right? He might have been. He might have been. Probably not, though, because it would need to go all the way up here, and that's a far way to go. But AMC, 1847, looking good. Woo! Ariel, thank you so much for the super. I really, really appreciate that. Shout out to all you guys that send those in. You guys know you don't have to, but thank you so much for those of you who do. Can you describe how you play a Strangle for earnings? I just buy calls and puts equidistant from the current trading price at close. That's all it is. Spy. Yeah, Spy's popping here a little bit. Amy, 1847. Let's see. You hit the like button twice, says Ben. Appreciate that, buddy. Massive green spy candle. Yeah. See, why couldn't I have had this massive green candle just like right here and just have that red candle, like just inverse it? Come on now. That's kind of nonsense. They're screwing with me. Wednesday, hedgy short AMC hard at opening bell. They can try. It depends on where we end up with earnings. It really does depend on how the earnings are. Like they do already have a lot of shares. Should I send you my P&L to figure out if you were right? No. Hitting it twice just takes the like button away. Well, that's a bit rude. That's a bit rude then. Means no like button. You know what, Ben? You know what? Oh, 1850 on Amy. Come on. I want 19. I want a 19 close. That's what I want. Let's go. Spy really likes big candles today, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, exactly. If you'd like, what's what? Yeah. I know. I figured it out. You guys taught me something not new today, but my brain is just not functioning like that. All right. Did a Strangle on the spine, made bank on the put side. Trey's mustache. There you go. Stop paper handing YOLOs. Why? I trade the YOLOs with the same stop loss because like it's still a YOLO, but I'm not trying to like just randomly capitulate the account. Like still, you have to have some risk management. That's the most important thing. Ariel, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. What does equidistant mean, and how do you choose the strikes? That's exactly. I choose like the cheap strikes. It depends on what the market's pricing in. So when you price it in, it's you add the at the money put and call and divide it by the current trading price. Equidistant is just like the same distance away from the strike. So the stock's at 100. I would buy and let's just say I'm going $5 on a call. I would try to get the $95 put too for the same cost. Amy, 1851. All right, people, let's go on a little moon mission. We got 15 minutes until power hour. Let's have some fun, huh? Do I have a video on how to play Strangles? No, I don't. I just kind of go over. Oh, you guys, I'll do it today, and you guys can see it. I won't stay on for Lucid, I don't think, because I think they're gonna do their call a little bit later, but we'll see how it goes. Because I gotta make a video, and then I gotta go to the gym, and then I got a boatload of homework I gotta do, which sucks. Let's see. The short vixen, thank you so much for the super. Thank you for being here for us. I listen all day, every day. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for that super. All right, people. All righty. LMT still up 5% on the day. There you go. How's that STC indicator? It's pretty good. It took me out of that spy call like here or here. It came up a little bit after, and then I just bought puts on the way down. It was perfect. I did that on Gabe's stream earlier today. Yellow looser stop. Okay, that's fair. Let's see. Amy 1843 looking decent. Chris, thank you so much for the super. Do you have a video on how to read the options chain? I don't. It depends on what you mean by reading the options chain. Like, do you just need to know like what everything means, or if you need to know like, all right, what's expensive? Is this a good option chain, or is this one absolutely jacked and you don't want to trade it? Is STC on Webull? No, I believe it's on Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, and TradingView. I know it's on TradingView because that's what I've been using it on. Oxy had a great day. Yeah, it did 11% something. Let's see. Oxy was looking really good for a while. Let's see here. Alrighty. Does the restream look different? Because I feel like it's just backward, or it's like different today. I don't know. Maybe I'm just tired because I didn't sleep a lot this weekend. But, you know, what the things mean on options. All right, we can do that really quickly right here. So options right here, we'll just switch it to calls. The bid is what people are willing to pay. The ask is what people are willing to sell. The last price is what the last contract was sold at. Percent change, pretty self-explanatory. The mid price is just different. The middle price of the bid and the ask. Applied volatility, basically telling you how expensive the options are. Open interest. How many calls or puts, how many options are being held at any individual strike price. Delta, how much you should expect your options contract to move versus a $1 move in the underlying stock. So let's just pick this one right here. $1 move in the stock, your contract should go up $58. Gamma is the rate of change of delta. So delta changes. Theta is time decay. So that was quick, but those are essentially what all of those mean. The Pentagon said they will be fighting with Ukraine. No deconfliction mechanism with Russia over Ukraine conflict in planet. Deconfliction mechanism. I don't know what deconfliction is. Doesn't sound fun, though. Let's see. I would like a video of you playing earnings with how you calculate the strike prices. Okay, I can go over that before close. I'll just do it for you guys. Lucid's a weird one because it does not meet the criteria at all. I just think it can move. Why hand shadow behind you? It's my Christmas tree. So if you look at it right here, my Christmas tree is right here. See? It's just staying up all year. I don't want to take it down. It's too much effort. It's staying up. It's a nice night light. It's what it is. It's how we're doing it over here. All right. Spy hanging out over here. AMC 1842. Going to see Batman tomorrow, right after the earnings call. There you go. Well, no. Okay. So you would have, I don't like your name. You should change your name because that's silly. We're forced to short squeeze. You buy puts and calls in the money when the strike hits closed puts. Well, if there's a strike on the put side that has a lot of open interest and you run right up to it, then if you just buy a bunch of calls in the money, you're perfectly fine. Sacrifice me so the spy can tank. I don't think I'm going to do that, Dan. I don't think I'm going to do that. I think it'll go down regardless. Is anyone here getting the Batman NFT? I think everybody should be getting the Batman NFT if you're going to see it at an AMC. When you trade with STV, every day is Christmas. Yup. Ben, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Okay. Like the smash button. Appreciate that. Earnings is not the 8th. Earnings is tomorrow. If you have a lady friend come over, how are you going to explain the tree in July? Nah, she's cool with it. She loves the Christmas tree. Is it my name you hate? No, Ryan. It's not your name I hate. Will Lucid go down? Armand, how am I supposed to know? Let's see. You only get the NFT if you purchase a certain window of time. That, and you have to get it through AMC. Like, there's no AMC around me. Well, that's really far. Like, in terms of like where I am at school. Like, there's a movie theater in my town. I can't go driving around with all the stuff I have to do. So I don't think I can go to an AMC and do it, but I wish I could. Sticky Fingers, welcome to the membership, man. Shout out to all the members. You guys are awesome. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I really appreciate it. Is your stream backwards today? What do you mean? You're facing the other direction? See, I knew it. I think I am facing the other direction. Maximize. I knew it. Hold on. Disable camera settings, video, mirror camera. There it is. Is that normal? That's normal. Okay. So I clicked something. It was freaking me out all day. All right. Now we're back to normal over here. Is this back to normal? You're facing different. You're mirrored. All right, cool. Now we're back to normal. Dude, it was freaking me out all day. I was like, what is going on? I was like, why does my restream look a little bit different today? All right, so now we're back to normal. I was like, why does this look so weird? I think I logged out of it and then came back in and it automatically mirrored it. But that was weird. I didn't know. I was like, hold on, something's wrong here. And I don't know what it is, but now we're good. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. The person behind you. I was like, there's no way you could see I mean, now it's on this side. It's still on this side. All right, now we're back to normal and it feels much better. Maybe that's why I was going to have an absolute aneurysm today. It's YouTube. No, it's Restream. Reverse STV. We're inversing. We're logging the fix today. Let's see. You were facing the restroom the whole time. What's the bottom of the spy range you highlighted? It's low. It's like very low. 426. These are big ranges. Or 425.50. They're like big ranges. Ugly both ways. That hurts. My mom says that I'm cute, though. So that's all that matters, right? Normal is relative. Nothing is normal about us. Facts. Facts. All right, folks. Let's see what we got here, everybody. Maybe that was why you bought calls instead of puts. Dude, I think so. Max Payne this week, 1750. Loving the market today. Sticky Fingers, welcome to the membership, man. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate all you members. You guys are awesome. GLD cross up on the 5-minute. That's weird with the SPY coming up. Bold. Oh, yeah. It is getting a little crossy over here. I knew I was watching long the VIX. Robert, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. It's been a very good day. You helped me to stay informed when I don't have the time to sit and watch the charts. I appreciate it. Robert, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. Lucid about a cross up. There you go. Yeah, also, guys, if you want to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, it's short the VIX1. It's the same name. On Instagram, it's the same logo that I have on YouTube and Twitter. It's just like the background is black instead of white. I made it look better. So if you guys want to do that, love to have you. Let's see. Let's see. Thank you so much for the super, Evoy323. What is the STC called on TradingView and by who? I have it as I forget which one it is. Settings, hide, more. I forget which one it is. I just typed in STC, and I think it's the first one. LMT making a comeback. Yeah, I'm not touching it. SPY's making a comeback here. AMC 1847, looking all right. Since the camera was flipped, that means $20 for ankles gets flipped to 2? No. No. Yeah, guys, also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. How's the SPY looking? I mean, for you guys, it's not looking too good. For your butts, it's not looking too good. It's looking bleak. Hope you weren't shorting the VIX today. I rarely do. Well, that one UVXY trade that I gave you guys last week that I paper handed, then you guys made hundreds of % on. Good for you. That was a short VIX play. How's your finger feel now? It's fine. Look at it. I mean, I think you can see it like this. It's fine. I mean, there was a chunk missing, and now it's kind of coming back. SPY moving up here a little tiny bit. Not bad, not bad, not bad. GLD chilling, SPY chilling. Let's see what we got over here. You're only at 192%. There you go. You turned it into a strangle. What'd you turn it into a strangle? Neo's been looking handsome today. Yeah. Yeah, Neo's been looking good. All right, folks, what do we got here? So we have 3 minutes until power hour. I hope you guys are ready. This is going to be exciting. Next time I'm taking the whole hand. You know what? STV's broken bottle of Tito's. That's not what we want to see over here. I need my hands because, SPY's coming up. Your SPY Putins are dwindling, people. Be very careful. Am I buying any more AMC before earnings or after? I might buy some after. Do you think the SPY will flicker into close? STV's flicker? Yeah, it most likely will flicker into close, I think. What's the max pain for the SPY? I don't know. Let's see. SPY. Max pain for today, 435. So it could run up a little bit if they're really trying to mess with options. Ariel, thanks for the super. Do you use RSI for entries or no? I typically don't. No. You can though. It would just what do you call it? Put too much on my screen. Like it would just move, it would shrink everything and make everything look a little bit weird. Things continue like it did today. The Hopium index is yeah. Let's see. UVXY. So the short VIX plays are working right now if you're doing it on this. Yeah, I got out of that UVXY a little while ago. 1348 touched on the 1 minute on AMC. This is the 5, and it looks like it wants to. The 1, yeah, if it breaks above this 200 EMA, it could start that nice little trend into breaking it on the 5. Show the finger? I did, I thought. It's right here. You can't really see it. It's just like, you can kind of see how it was like jacked up, but it's fine now. You sold that UVXY call for a gain of $1. Yeah, I think I made like $4. It was silly. It was really stupid. SPY flickering. Let's see. Amy, 1846. GME, 121.04. Are we going to get a power or sour hour today? I don't know. We got 1 minute to find out. Let's see what we're going to get here, people. Alrighty, peoples. I love seeing my handiwork on camera. Well, that's mean. All right, Spy. What you doing here, pal? Short the finger. Mullen halted. On the way down. Or up. Uh-oh. 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 SpaghettiOs. Mullen rug getting pulled. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Careful, careful, careful. Where was that asshole in here earlier that said I didn't know anything because I was not talking about Mullen? Huh? Halt on the way down. I don't chase these things. It's 142%. Like, if you're up a lot now, you're still fine. But if you bought up here, you're going to get rugged. I think. I don't know. It still could pop up. I could have been a complete a-hole on that one. But be very, very careful with these. Oh, calm down. Who could have seen that coming? Me. Like, you have a stock that's ripping up 142% in a day. It's not, and it's especially one that everybody starts to hype up. It's guaranteed going to come down at some point. Like, everyone, SPRT, Prague, BBIG, it's still way up. True, it is still way up. But I'm talking about the people that were FOMOing in since this right here. Since, what is that, 145? Like, that's not good. If this comes down hard here, that's not good. Juan, thank you so much for the super, buddy. For Lucid calls for the earnings. Wish me luck, STV. I will wish you luck. Spy Doom Dooms. It's a little red candle. I mean, we'll watch the Mullen here and see what happens. I just want everybody to be careful when you see like penny stocks just go up 100% in a day. The news could be good, but eventually it will come down. You're playing crash. That's what you're doing. What do we got over here? But then how would we have bag holders coming in here asking about plays months after they were done? Because they're still holding them. AMC wants to go for a little rippy. I think it would. I think it's very possible that AMC goes for a little run here. I mean, Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Let's see what happens with Mullen. Uber running. Didn't play any Uber today. Usually we play a lot of Uber. What was there, a cross on? Yeah, Uber cross here in the morning. That's not bad, man. I mean, that's all the way up until what time is this? 11:05. It just runs. That's pretty good. You were being sarcastic? Oh, Tabasco Dave. Sorry, buddy. I apologize for that one. All right, people. Let's see. We got about 58 minutes left in the market today. Let's see what we get. STV's finger crossed up on the 5-minute chart. I would say the 4-hour chart is what it crossed up on. It's looking fine. It doesn't hurt. It hasn't hurt for a while. Can you please buy Spy calls? Shut up, squirrel. I was scalping the nuts out of Spy today. Did you get Oxy this morning? I did not. I was not messing around with Oxy after what we've seen with the last 2 weeks with it. I was just like, yeah, no thank you. You get what you get and you don't get upset. Ben Levine, very true. Is that, you're going to have to say that a lot to Atticus, I feel like. I feel like kids these days are going to need to hear that. All that instant gratification from social media. They're going to be like, but I want it now. And you're like, nope. Patience. You get what you get and you don't get upset. I do want some Don Julio. That is what we want. Where's is Mullen unhalted yet? Yeah, opened lower. Not that much lower though. So it may be all right, but a halt down is usually not fun. Yeah, Mullen's on. Let's see what happens with this. All right. What's our bias on Spy for Power Hour? I mean, I'm not doing anything on it anymore. I was just kind of in general being like, yeah, no. AMC cross on the 4-hour. Oh baby. Oh baby. Yeah, Amy got a little cross on the 4-hour. Let's see if she can make her way up to that 200 EMA. That'd be pretty sweet. I mean, Mullen after that halt, honestly, way better than it could have been. Way better than it could have been. Mara, is it ripping now? Mara, a little 1348 here, trying to make a little bit of a move back up, but been downtrending after this morning. Honestly, with that riot thing, when you guys were saying I was paper handing, this time it worked. All righty. Bitcoin booming, so Mara and Riot might get a little boom. SPY might get a little pop off that too. Let's see here. What do we got here, folks? Alrighty, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on the stream too on your way in. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all your support recently. All you guys that are positive, the new members, shout out to you guys too. Thanks for all your support of the channel. I really, really appreciate it. Just sent you PNL. Oh God. Oh God. Where is it? Oh, that's a good freaking day, dude. All right. SPY flickering. SPY ain't getting no pops, says Ben. Uh-oh, buddy. Uh-oh. Battling over here. All right, let's see what we get for news. Biden to offer plan for energy, childcare, and health costs. Okay, well, that sounds like something he would do, or any president would do. Biden to make clear that there's more work to rebuild the U.S. economy towards resilience, security, and sustainability in his State of the Union address. SPY doesn't like it. 940 likes. Appreciate that. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. So thank you guys so much for all the support. You guys are awesome. Played the cross on AMC this morning, made $500. Chris, had a freaking boy. That's what I like. I need quick advice. Should I cash out my 318 $25 call with profit? I can't tell you what to do. You got to make that decision for yourself. SPY is a dead cat. I don't know. Is it still a strangle if I buy for 2 different expiration dates? Yeah. I'm going into the shower and you are coming with me. Theoref, that's a little bit weird, but I mean, people tell me that they're taking a number 2 listening to my stream, so it's fine. I mean, I know it happens. Let's see. SPY doesn't like it, but you know who does and has 2 thumbs? Ben Levine. Coming down on the SPY. Mara coming down. Amy coming down. 1828. Ooh. Here it comes back down. SPY Putins are coming back to life. That is a calendar spread. I think calendars, you're selling one and buying another, I think. I just forget which way it is. Your screen looks very red. Yeah. Let's see. Can I check Hut 8? What is that? Hut 8 mining. Is this a Bitcoin miner? It's going to move the same as Mara and Riot, pretty much. What's this up today? 4%. Pretty much the same thing. That candle is BS. Oh, do you have calls? Uh-oh. We're going down into close. Jacob, very possible. Mullen coming back. Yeah, honestly, held up really good. I recant my earlier statement about Mullen immediately getting rug pulled right now. I still think it's going to get a giant red day or red candle soon. Let's see. Made some AMC calls this morning. Bought some more on the dip. Stoked for earnings. Tabasco Dave. Add a freaking boy there, man. Making some calls free. I love to see that. That's what we like to see. Everybody making stuff free. Let's see. No calls. Just don't want to see a downtrend. Fair. All right, folks. SPY coming back up off that little candle. Amy, 1836. Mullen chilling around here a little bit. Let's see. All righty, folks. My Putins are free. Ben, attaboy. Making them free. That's what I do. Anytime I see something go up 100% or a little over 100%, I just make it free. It's not worth holding on to stuff that is that up. Might as well get your initial investment back and then play with the profit. Bro, been in this AMC since January 29, 2021. It's been stressful, and I'm holding strong with 3,000 shares. I'm in debt, but living calm because at the end, it will all be worth it. Jesse, there you go. Let's just see SPY rip into close and rip all day tomorrow to give AMC some tailwind. Yeah, that'd be sweet. That would be sweet. What do I think of SBRCY? Sounds like an OTC penny stock, so probably not. Probably going to be a no. It sounds like a Russian bank. Does that have an options chain? I would short the nuts out of this if I could. I mean, it's up today, but so it looks like a Russian bank. So I would say no, thank you. Let's see. Yeah, everybody's getting free puts. BBIG, how's this doing today? Down again. No fun is happening on BBIG. If I accidentally sold a call, how do I close it? You got to buy to close it. You have to buy it back. I am so impressed with the Ukrainian people, military, and president. Yeah, I mean, they're doing it. I mean, I think they're handling everything the best way that they can. No, thank you, Russian bank. No, thank you. Exactly. On the Discord, do y'all show how to option trade? Dude, we show everything. It's not like you're signing up for the Discord and it's like, thanks. Now figure it out for yourself. No, we have videos in there. We do those private live streams helping everybody out how to trade options. We have the strategy. We have all of the alerts to make the strategy even easier. But yeah, make sure you guys go check out that Discord. If you want to get access to the live stream tonight, you're gonna have to join premium before then. And then so Gabe's midday live streams are gonna be private in the future for the Discord members. So he just messed it up today and accidentally went live publicly. But yeah, so if you guys want to be a part of those and see all of us come together at once, I mean, during the market hours, definitely consider signing up. Let's see. SPY is just wacky right now. Yeah. Broke to Stoke. You'd be absolutely filthy rich. Alrighty, folks. What do we got? TLT. ALT. Slow melt up today on TLT. I don't want to see 3 dudes coming together in market hours. All right, fair. You got me on that one. If you look at max pain for AMC the next 3 weeks, it goes up. Bennett typically does that just because there's a lot of people are going for the weekly, and then towards the end of the week, it gets to it goes up, and then as you get closer to that week, it comes down as more people start to buy the YOLO calls. Ortex update, please. Yes, absolutely. So Ortex on AMC this is AMC, right? Yeah. For today, we got 20.45% estimated short interest, 1.54 million net borrowed shares today. That's what we got. Do you have your own Discord group? Well, no. We have the Discord with me, TMI, and Review Dork. In my opinion, and I think a lot of other people would say this too, very, very solid Discord. So let's see what we get over here. TLT flickering around. Alrighty, folks. Yeah, and even then, so you guys should honestly, regardless if you wanna get the premium part of the Discord or not, it's gonna make your trading a whole lot easier. But you should just join it as a free member and then learn the strategy, because the strategy's out there to learn for free. We're not gatekeeping it. Like, everybody thinks that we're just like, oh, you got to pay us to get the secret sauce. No, it's out there for free. We just have a little bit of an alert system in there with like 350 stocks on the 5-minute that just makes it easier for you to see when things are crossing. Let's see. In my opinion, spy Putin. Oh yeah, Squirrel, your Discord is good. I like it in there. I just don't have time. I literally don't have any time during the day to do stuff. And then at night, I just die and collapse. And that's usually when I have to do schoolwork. Like, I have to do schoolwork tonight, and I'm going to go to the gym before I do it, but it's going to be miserable. I'm going to be struggling. Was Archer before SCV signed? Yes. I do know what Archer is. I just never watched it. Spy Head and Shoulders break. Uh-oh. Yeah. Lucid cross to the upside. Oh, yeah. I do have to get a Lucid Strangle going into earnings. So we do have to do that at some point going into close. Are the alerts on the 3-minute? Yeah. So the alerts are yes, the alerts are alerting you on the 3-minute time frame. So you have some time to look at it before it's going to cross on the 5-minute. You can play the 3-minute if you want to. You're just going to get a head faked a little bit more. Isn't that gatekeeping the most important part? I mean, if your whole main goal is to make money, then yes, but we also want people to just learn. So want us to call a ambulance? What happened, M. Crease? Let's see. Let's see. I mean, if you have a gate, you should keep it. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate that. Thanks for the gate advice. All right. 1832 on Amy over here. Oh, yeah. We didn't see Grandpa Barney today. I wonder where Grandpa's at. Can I tell us your, John, what do you want me to tell you? Yeah, guys. Also, if you don't mind, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot. Getting some more people in here with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's been really cool. Thank you guys. Let's see. Alrighty, folks. What do we got? Oh, because your schoolwork complaining. It's the worst thing. I really do the bare minimum, like literally the bare minimum. Now I just don't care. You'll make enough to cover the whole year in a week if you follow the rules. Very, very true. Do you think the market will crash this year, like really bad, a 60% drop? It's possible, but I don't think so. Oxy, new day highs. Dude, whoever was getting those Oxy calls at open or held them over the weekend, it's up 11. Oh, how much are these contracts up today? 1,000%? 600%. That's craziness. Remember when that one idiot called from Boom Booms at 145? What a loser. Thanks, not a hedge fund. I took your financial advice and lost money. Just giving you shit. Yeah, I know, I'm Creeks. I know. 3 months in, my patient's finally being tested. Oh, you spelled patience wrong. I thought you meant like you're a doctor and like 13 months you waited for them to get like a test. All right, people. Amy 1832 coming down a little here. Spies just slowly coming down. Oxy is just making new highs over here, just going on a moon mission. Held Oxy over the weekend. There you go. Chart setup. What's at the bottom of the chart? MACD. Moving average convergence divergence. I think that's the first part. Yeah, we gotta get SB to watch Archer. Maybe. What time is AMC earnings today? No. It's tomorrow. It's at 5 p.m. Eastern. You'll get the numbers before then, though. The call starts at 5. All right, we got 44 minutes left, people. What do we got? Any crosses? Anything happening? Let's see. AMC FTDs, 200,000 of them. Nothing too crazy. Creeks talks mighty big, but her cat isn't taking her keyboard hostage. That was funny. Remember when that guy gave financial advice to YOLO? The top taking. Yeah, I do remember that. I didn't do that. I just said I was YOLOing. I thought I was playing it. I should have literally just went like one contract on either side and would have been fine. So maybe that's what we got to do next time. If I'm going to YOLO anything, especially on the SPY, play it both ways. All of Reddit said AMC and GME squeezed today. Well, that doesn't make any sense. Who's streaming the earnings call tomorrow? I think I might be able to do it. I think I'll probably end up doing it because I'll be on at the end of the day. So I might as well just leave the stream on and run it with you guys. So I'll just leave the stream on. Maybe I'll like go off, do something, and then come back and just hang out with you guys. They tried earlier, says M. Creeks. There you go. 1348 on the 4-hour on Melly. Yuso about to cross up? Always the keys. Always the keys. Okay, well, this is a $1,000 stock. That's interesting. Yuso. 2.5%. About to get a MACD cross here. Are we finally getting ankles tomorrow? If we close above 20, that's the thing. So we might get it Wednesday if we have a good day after earnings. That could be what it is. Close above 20, good to go, people. Hi. That was weird. I like saw my hand and I was like, all right, this is weird. I don't know what's going on today. Everything just looks weird on the screen. Now it looks a little bit more normal because like I flipped it back to being normal, but it's all nonsense. Another reason to ignore Reddit? Yeah, maybe. The squeeze is always scheduled for 2 p.m. the next day, every day. Fair. Shell is calling it quits in Russia and has announced plans to exit its relationship with Gazprom. Ooh, interesting. Thank you, 1348. Landon, what did you do? How did you do that? You must be not following the rules. I don't know how you lost 86%. Let's see here. Stock market is being dumb. Yeah. TLT new day highs. How's the TLT Strangle doing? Is it in profit yet? I think it's, I mean, I needed it to go a little bit earlier, but no, it's down a little bit. The puts are getting hammered, but the calls are up good. Let's see. Is TMI done with the margin calls yet? I don't know. He might still be calling them. What are the rules? You got to watch the videos to follow the rules. It's basically, you got to know where the 200 EMA is and where the stock is in relation to that. Certain amount of your portfolio going in on any given trade and stop losses. It's very simple. How come we never talk about 21 anymore? Good point, man. Good point. All right, we got 40 minutes left to go. All righty, folks. All righty, everybody. Can you do a hot tub stream like they do on Twitch? That's kind of weird. Ford, is Ford pumping now? Ford was looking at like it could have done something today at some point, but I mean, we're gonna have to. Oh yeah, Ford. See, I wouldn't play something like this. I mean, if it was a Friday going into close, I would, because it could run to like here and you're fine. But not like today, it would need to get like really, really, really runny to like start to get going. I mean, Spy's coming up here. Amy 1849. Are we gonna get a power hour, people? Come on, that would be pretty fun, huh? Ford is doing the slow cross again. Yeah. Thank you, Mullen, for free 20 shares of Amy and 1 GME. Darstar. There you go, buddy. Good trade there. So what happens if you sell a covered call out of the money, but it ends up mooning this week? You now have no shares. They will take your shares away. Didn't watch the video. I just learned 1348 by watching, and I take 30 to 100% every play. There you go. Come on, pump my AMC calls. All right, Spy. It's time to go. 1849 on Amy. Ford. Not really doing a whole lot over here. GME, little pop. I mean, tiny. 120.75. I love this 1348 job where I get to play my guitar all day. There you go. Let's see. Spy moving up. Yeah, the Spy Putins aren't looking too good. Ford's coming up. The Spy puts are looking bleak. What are you going to get for your Lucid Strangle? I don't know. I'm probably not going to say exactly what I get, because it's a YOLO, and they have a very, very high possibility of expiring completely and utterly worthless. So be careful. You saw Ford going down on the 3 and 5. Well, no, it's crossing up right here. Before it did have this cross down. Now it's crossing up. Have you seen what I've just done? Have you just seen what I've just done? Did you see that? I completely missed. Man. Oh. That was just icky. It was cold and gross and all right. Amy to 1956, please. That'd be pretty sweet. My Spy puts are for Wednesday and they're free, so you're gonna YOLO them overnight. Ben Levine, there you go. Amy 1851. Did you poop? No, I spilled Hedgy Tails. Yeah, I spilled it all over myself. Short on STV's drinking ability. Yeah, that was poor performance right there. Spy pumping. It's trying here. It's trying to get out of this range. It'd be nice if it could. Lucid making a move. Yeah, little pop here on Lucid. So I'm gonna wait until like the last 10 minutes, just to kind of get something on Lucid. 50-cent call options for July 5th. I'm not touching anything on Sundial. Disca cross on the 5. Trades mustache. The problem with Disca is that you have to buy the March expiration date, the monthly. So you're not going to get as much of a boom if it goes up. So I'll play it on the week of expiration, or like maybe even the week before expiration. Yeah, the week before expiration. I feel like I did the best trade of my life today using 1348. Spy this morning bought a call. As soon as it crossed, I sold my call at almost the tippity top. MC Busket. There you go, buddy. Love to see that. I mean, it's hard to top tick things. I didn't top tick Riot, but I got most of the move. Problems with giant water bottles? 1348. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, man. Let's see here. All right, folks. What's the trade for Lucid and expiration date? I'll get a weekly Strangle on it as like a little YOLO. How can you miss your own mouth? William just hates on me. Nah, I'm just kidding. I had it like this, and I was looking over here, so like some of it like came out this side. So it was like this. I was like looking this way and like drinking like this, and I just went like out like this. 1348 cross down on STV's water jug. Yeah. I mean, if Spy can get out of this range, I mean, we could be in a like much better spot. Bitcoin ripping, Riot and Mara. Check them out. Check them out. Riot. Is Riot at new day highs yet? No. I mean, I sold Riot like back here. So, I mean, that's not a top tick, but it's pretty freaking good. You're up 80% on lucid calls, can't sell, no day trades. Dude, you're going to have to hold through earnings. You're either going to be like up a gargantuan amount tomorrow, or you're going to have no money. I hate to say it, like it's binary. I mean, it could be a dud, but if it's a dud, you're going to lose like 40, 50%. Like it's not going to be a fun time. You know what 1348 can't fix? A Tito's hangover on a Sunday. Well, if 1348 allows you to have more money, then you can buy as much liquid IV as you want, and then you're good to go. Right? So you're chilling. You're good to go. I know, says Scuba Steve. Uh-oh, Scuba Steve. That's a struggle. You're on the struggle train. AMC gonna go power half hour? Dude, power half hour. There we go. 5 minute 1348 crosses on Amy. Yeah, but not a good one. Like this isn't like an aggressive one. It's just flickering back and forth right here. This isn't like a crazy good one. It could, if the SPY starts to run, we could get a little bit of jumpiness. But again, we have this level right here, 1882, and then this level right here, 1912, and then the high. So it's not like we're getting the cross right around the previous high of the day and you're going to break out. You're getting a cross when it has like it's making lower highs and like slightly lower lows. Like this one is slight, or it's kind of Wing over here, so it could be decent. 1348 cross on me seeing Batman. So, dude, I cannot wait to see Batman. I'm gonna get food. I'm gonna go see Batman. Really fun day. Let's see. Tito's never gives me a hangover as long as I chase it with Sprite. That's not how it works. Guys, that is just not how it works. If you drink enough, you will get a hangover. It's guaranteed. Like 100% guaranteed hangover. All right, here's what we're going to do. Mobile mic, it's coming with me. We're leaning back. We're having fun. Sold yours for 450%. Thanks for the Oxy ideas over the last few weeks. After I did my own DD, I held for the last few days and boom, thanks STV. Family, atta boy. There you go, 450%. That's not anything to play around with there. That's big money. Batman. Batman. All right, people. AMC 1855 SPY chilling around over here a little bit. We got Riot trying to make a move here. We got GME 12103, not doing too bad. Lucid this week or next week. I'm going with this week. Strangle. You drink enough Tito's and nothing helps. Yeah, exactly. Wait until you get older. You're the no. I get them now. I used to. All right. So here's a fun fact. What I used to do when I went to go out is I would try to entice my friends to do this one thing with me. And sometimes nobody ever tried it with me, but I've done it a few times. And it was a bottle challenge. So I would get some like flavored Smirnoff that was only like 35%. And I would just drink it all at the pregame. I think I did that like 2 or 3 times. And I wasn't like, so for me, I'll get to the point of being like too drunk and just like be like, all right, I probably shouldn't be in public anymore. I'm just going to go home. So I just get like weird social anxiety. I'm like, I probably shouldn't be out anymore. Like my social clock just hits and I'm like, I don't want to be here. I feel like I'm going to do something stupid. So I just go home. So then nothing bad ever happens. It's a really awesome subconscious thing to have because you never get into any trouble. But I mean, it's fun. That you can't do very many times before your liver's probably like, oh, liver sad. But let's see here. IGN giving Batman a 10 out of 10. Oh, man, that could be. Oh, Spy's coming up here a little bit. Come on, Amy. Get that pushed to 19. Am I Polish? No. Said every college student ever. Nah. See, that's the thing. I used to really go for it. That was a fun fact. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. I used to walk around with like solo cups, just like full of vodka. And people would be like, why are you drinking water? And I'm like, I'm not drinking water right now. The one time I ignored that, I got thrown headfirst out of the bar. Oh, boy. Spy. Uh-oh, Ben. Citadel released the financial docs. Yeah, we went over that a little bit. But I'll cover that in the video today. Because that's going to be some interesting stuff. There's some things in there that I want to break down for you guys that are really interesting. I did a little bit on the stream, but I'll put it into a video for you guys later. Okay, so everybody that's in here right now, videos are now coming out at 6 p.m. Eastern. That's probably around when they're going to start coming out. 6 or 6:15. So make sure you guys have your notifications turned on for the channel. You just got to hit that bell icon down there and put like all notifications on so you're notified when I post videos and when I go live. It just helps out with like the YouTube stuff. So if you guys don't mind doing that, it helps out a whole lot. And YouTube's been messing around a little bit recently. So if you guys don't mind doing that, getting those notifications, help me out a whole lot. Thank you guys. College is alcoholism. Yeah, man. I mean, I used to go out Thursday night, Friday night when it was warm, Saturday during the day, and somehow still be able to go out Saturday night. Dude, I couldn't do two big nights in a row now. No way. I've been drinking forever. I just hang out with you guys all the time, and I get tired. AMC's about to cross. Yeah, it's crossing right now. It's coming up. 1857 over here. SPY bouncing off it's trying to bounce. It's coming down to that 248 EMA. Let's see. You used to get stupid with handles of whiskey. Yeah, see, that's reckless behavior. You can't be doing that. William saying lies. Lies on what part? William, if you spam, I'm going to time you out. I understand you like to say lies, but if you spam, I will time you out. Let's see here, everybody. Yeah, also, as everybody's filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button as well. And again, turn those notifications on. Helps out a whole lot. Did Citadel release their financials because the March 3rd deadline? No, that's just when they came out with it. They release those every year. Anytime your drink requires a handle, you're in trouble. Yeah, or if it's like plastic, like if it's like plastic, that's not good. 1859 on AMC right now. It's trying to come up here. 1860. Come on, let's get 19. Please be careful. I drink for years. My liver was bad. No. I don't drink anymore, really. I sometimes, but like very rarely. You went to clubs 7 days a week in your heydays, Johnny. First of all, what are you, filthy rich? And second of all, that's insanity. Bing bong, the vodka is strong. Yeah. All right, Amy, come on. 1862. Let's get up there. Spy's coming down. Amy's coming up. So people are bidding this up going into earnings here, people. Come on. Here we go. 1865, up 5.5% on the day. GME's trying to get up a little bit at 121.20. Sorry about that. Spy down about 1%, coming down a little bit, but Amy doesn't give a shit. Here we go, people. Up 5.8% coming up. Woo! Riot's coming up here too. Come on, everybody. Let's go. 1865 is a tough spot. What are we at? We're at 1868 right now. I mean, let's see if we can get above that, Amari. Also, Amari, good to see you back in here, buddy. Let's go, everybody. Yeah, for everybody filtered in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We're getting into power half hour. Let's see if we can get it going up to the upside a little bit. Now we're getting a little bit more of a 1348 cross. This is a little bit of a better one. If we can start to see the 13 run away from the 48 here, that would be a pretty solid sign. Sacrifice me, but the only experience you have with vodka is your finger. Oh no, I have lots of them. Chan here. I wish Chan was here. And Pico, all those guys, I miss them. Melvin was right. Those guys are funny. GME 121.36. We got Spy bouncing around a little bit over here. Finally, AMC shopped at the dollar store again. No. Alrighty, people. Let's go. Let's have some fun. Rockets. There we go. Rockets about. Oh, here we go. Come on. Break that 1870 and start getting your way up to 19. I mean, if the Spy starts to come up here, we could be in a decent spot. Earnings is tomorrow after hours, right? Yep. What about a number 3? See, okay. Nope. Rocket. There we go. Learning, buying, and selling calls. Bought a 1750 call this morning with expiration Friday. If it moons, will I have a problem selling later this week? No, you'll be fine. But it also could go to 0, so be very, very, very careful. So let's see. Spy coming down now. Amy really does not care. So this is a good thing to see. GME's coming up now. 121.73, up 2.66%. Amy's up 5.6%. Here we go. There come the Rockets. Here we go, everybody. Alrighty, folks. Let's have some fun going into close. Amy's getting up here a little bit. I like it. Come on, let's get to 19. Let's get to 19, everybody. Good stuff. All in AMC since this morning's dip. Who's the smooth brain now? There you go, Tabasco Dave. Ready to rip to that 1942, that Don Julio. Speaking of Don Julio, I'm not really a tequila guy. I don't really like it. I mean, I've had Don Julio once. I had like not a lot of it, and I was like, this doesn't taste like tequila. So like tequilas that don't taste like tequila, good. Tequila that tastes like tequila, yeah. All right, here we go. TLT up on the 5-minute. Oh boy. That might be why SPY's selling off a little bit here. I mean, and volatility is going to move on it too. Yeah, TLT with some nice green candles over here. SPY's coming down. Amy's holding up really good. 1864. I hated you before. Now I love you. Why do you hate me, Mikey? Why did you hate me? I feel like I'm not very hateable. Have you had Don? Yeah, I've had 92 once. I had it once. Oxy, is Oxy ripping? I mean, it's up 11.5% today. I mean, it's here come the SPY Putin's back to life. There you go, guys. So I'm out of dry powder for the. How are you out of dry powder for the week? You're all right. You're talking about tequila, salt, and a lemon. You've done a suicide shot. Okay, that I shouldn't have said it. All right. So what you do is you put the salt in your nose, and then you drink the shot, and then you put or no, yeah, and then you put the lime in your eyes. That's what it's called. Sorry, I'm getting a little ahead of myself today. I'm having fun. Sorry. All right. That's because tequila is the most faked alcohol. Okay. Well, I didn't know that. Yeah, I saw people doing it at the bar one time. Some of my friends were doing it, and I was like, "You guys are ridiculous." There's another way. There's another thing called like a Chili Willy. Those are crazy. Those are wild. those are different. Dumb? Oh, it's very dumb. That's why I never did it. Like it's just stupid. I've done that before. Hell no. No. What do you think? You think I'm a crazy person? No. I'm not that stupid. That's so stupid. Exactly. That's why I never did it. It's SPY's coming down pretty hard here. What's a Chili Willy? I don't know if you can handle it. I don't know if you can handle it. Let's see. Mike's about a mouse about to die. SV is wild. He wants funneled Jesus. Chili Willies when you turn the shot glass upside down. Put vodka on the top of it, and then you ingest it through your nose. That's what a Chili Willy is. Stop. Okay. Clap. Stop. I found out what that was one time, and I was like, absolutely not. Absolutely not. 1855 on AMC over here. GME selling off a little bit. All right, we're having some fun today. You guys are getting wild. I guess this is power half hour now. Lockheed puts or calls. I'm not touching Lockheed anymore. Unless it's going to be on a Friday, I think I'll play a Lockheed only on Fridays. Let's see. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on your way in. Just helps out a whole lot with the algo. Mini Ape, stop it. Stop. We're not discussing this. That is not. Why am I not rich yet? I'm starting as of tomorrow with $20 per month to see what 1348 can do. Okay, well, I don't know. All right, we're not talking about that anymore. All right, 1859 on AMC now. SPY is trying to come back up. 1860. Come on, Oxy's doing good. We got GME trying to move up here a little bit. All right, stop. Stop. You're crazy when you don't use 1348. I mean, I always use 1348. You see 1820, 1830 support supply and demand zone on the 15-minute chart. Let me look. On Amy. Right here it would be 1830, and then where's this? What did you say? 1820? Yeah, right around there. It's like right in this range right here. Sort of though, like on the 15-minute on the day. That's just kind of where it's trapped in the range. So sort of, yes. Also kind of flaggy. Yeah, a little bit. Amy gonna rip into close? I hope so, man. We're at 1856 right now. We got 22 minutes left to go. Come on, people. Let's have some fun, huh? SCB Slicker, I don't know, man. People are crazy. You learn a lot of weird things in college, like really weird things these days. Spy's coming down now. Amy's selling off a little bit, like a couple cents, 6 cents. It's at 18.53. Jamie, a little bit of a red candle here. Spy's not looking like it wants to have any fun going into close. Not sure on this lucid play for tomorrow. I'm not spending very much money on it. I'm gonna spend probably. I'm gonna try to only spend $100 total, both ways, like total, not on each side. $100 total. Dark pool still active as always. Wait, you're supposed to learn in college? I haven't really. Couple things. I could count like the useful things on like one hand probably. AMC plummeted. I mean, not really. It's up 5.2% on the day. I guess you are the generation of the Tide Pod challenge. I think that's younger than me. That's like high school kids. Those kids are like, I hate to say it, but like that's why natural selection's a thing. Like you can't be eating Tide Pods, guys. You can't have that. That's just not. That's not okay. You can't be doing that. 1854 on AMC over here. Spy trying to make a little bit of a move. Siak. Oxy's still coming up. He's learned a lot of the wrong things. Yeah. Whoa. Siak coming up. Lesson number 1, no Tito's on the top of the fridge. Facts. That's the biggest lesson. If you read this aloud, I'll join the Discord. Alex, Mikey didn't mean to cheat on you. He's sorry. Take him back. Mikey, get your stuff in order, man. Here's the deal, bro. If you're gonna cheat on somebody, why? You're just being silly. You're just being selfish. Okay. So, okay, here's the deal. If that is something that you want to do, you want to go do extracurricular activities, just break up with the person. Stop with the nonsense. Just be a mature individual. That is not condoned around here, Mikey. Do you think squirrels had anything to do with the run today? Absolutely. The Tide Pod thing is so overhyped. Dude, CX running here. Little 1348. Spy back up. Dude, Spy is a volatile bugger here today. And this is on the 5-minute chart, too. This isn't like the 1 minute flickering around all over the place. Like, look at the 1 minute. It looks all crazy. The 5 minute still looks pretty wild today on the Spy. Like, these ranges are big. Are the premiums high on AMC due to earnings? Yes. I'm a child mentally, though. Mikey probably shouldn't be in a relationship then. Are you going to cover Citadel's financials in a video? Yeah, I'm going to do that tonight. Natural selection, dude, you get it? Exactly. That's what it is. All right. Spy flicker in here. Mullen running again. Man, Mullen going pretty wild, huh? 171% on the day. That's crazy. Are you gonna play AMC earnings? No, I just not for me. Amy 1861. I mean, Spy's trying to come back up here. I don't see it. I think it's gonna be range bound to the end of the day, just flickering up and down. I don't see it running up above here anymore, just because it every single time it does, the sellers come in, or they're just like, nope, no can do, pal. Puts on your, yeah. Tide Pods don't even taste that good. Cody, Darwin, you're one of Darwin's favorites. All right, here we go. Vix, what's up, Amari? How you doing, buddy? Mullen to 14. If it goes to 14, you're all going to be filthy rich. All right, people. Man, this is a fun afternoon stream. You bought Mullen at 6. Jesus, you're up. What is it? 3x? That's a lot. Amy 1860 over here. Spy just kind of holding. 1348 on me. Needed a Red Bull to finish this day. Yeah. Discord live streaming tonight. Yeah, it should be on what do you call it? 8 p.m. All right, not a hedge fund. You would be eating Tide Pods. All right, 1861 on AMC. Spy's trying to move up a little here. I used to not watch your videos because you sounded like a used car salesman at the beginning. Now you're the best live streamer. Vic, I appreciate that. I don't know why I talk like that in the videos. It's just like this mental block I have to get over. 1863. Come on, Amy. Let's go. 1870 and rip all the way up to 19. We've got 16 minutes left. The cinnamon challenge is not like the Tide Pod challenge. Like, there's no fear of death, I don't think, in the cinnamon challenge. You're just like, all right, it's spicy. You're going to cough a little bit and then you're going to struggle. And like, please don't do any of this nonsense. All right, 1865. Also, guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, and make sure you guys have those notifications turned on for the channel. Helps out a whole lot with the videos and the live streams getting out to more people. Have any clue why 1865 is such a weird spot for a girl? Amy drew a horse off the line earlier and it continues to bounce off. Let's take a look. I'm trying to see if I have another. Oh, it's no, this one right here. Right here, Amari. Look at this. So right here, the top. This one, 1866, right as it started to get shorted pretty heavily. So this is not like a danger zone, but it's like another level of resistance on Amy. It's probably happened many times on it before too. Like, what's this one right here? No, that's 20. What's this one? 16. Where's this? Nope. Okay. So maybe a couple times in the past that it's hit that level. It's been a level of resistance in the past. 1874. We got that break of 1870. Here we go. Yeah. Let's see. Been doing the ramen noodle challenge for a year. Amy. 1875. All right. Wow. Okay. Now Spy's going to try to break out of the range now, apparently. There Spy goes. 1875 on Amy. Here we go. All right, Spy. Moon mission, and let's get Amy above 19 going into earnings. Love you, bro. Thank you. Anytime, Amari. You added 5 synthetic likes to the stream today. Michael, appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. Spy, massive strength. Not really, though, because it just comes up to here and gets knocked right back down. Okay, Spy, you closing at 435. I see. Neat. Ben, what's your strike? You can get an Ortex update for sure. The FTDs are like 200,000, I think. I don't think it's that crazy. They stepped up a little bit. What is it? FTDs? 500,000? Interesting. 500,000. I thought it was 200,000. So 20.45% estimated short interest. 1.55 million shares bought. Oh, Amy coming up. 1878. Come on, Amy. 428 for your puts. Interesting. Wednesday expiration. You might be all right if the market struggles. But again, I think the market is like, it's getting more of that certainty news that it's like, all right, we can continue to go up a little bit here. 18 cents. Come on, Amy. You can do it. 20 more cents. We got 13 minutes to go. Yeah, the premium Discord is Review Dork's Patreon. So it's me, TMI, and Review Dork. So it's all 3 of us. Yeah, make sure you guys go check that out. Very, very powerful strategy in the alert system. Alerting on 350 stocks on the 3-minute time frame. I think 15-minute and 4-hour. I think there's a 30-minute in there as well. Really, really powerful. Gives you a view of the market that you cannot get anywhere else. You can see pretty much everything. Have you ever thought your box might be stopping the Spy? No, my box is showing where the Spy is getting resistance. That's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to show us where the Spy is struggling a little bit. And if the buyers can really take control. No chance AMC goes bankrupt? Yeah, where did that come from? No chance. Citadel earnings today? No. I mean, Citadel just released some of their financials for 2021. Ho-ho! Keith, coming in hot with the super. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Man, you guys have been so generous with the supers. Again, you guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, but special thank you to those of you guys who do. Thank you guys so much. Keith, hey, SV, did you miss me? I did, man. I've been leading some consulting sessions with an organization, keeping an eye on the stocks. My $16 AMC calls for the 18th are up 27%. We'll be on tomorrow to trade. Keith, my man, there we go. Good luck with all your work, buddy. Thanks for popping in, and thank you for that super, dude. That was really generous. Thank you. Yeah, move your box. It's in the way. Keith, wow, Keith, thank you so much for another super. Miss you people today. Let's keep screwing the market maker. Yes, sir. That is what we're trying to do over here, buddy. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's see. When time permits, check the Twitter. Okay, I will. It's a SPY shield. I mean, I wanted to just break through the SPY shield and just rip. 1876 on Amy over here. I can set up an algo to trade 1348 for me while I sleep in after Drake. I'm working on one. I'm working on an algo. It's in the works. It's in the works. An algorithm for 1348, specifically for crypto, because it's always open, is in the works. Let's see. SPY did the Cupid shuffle today? Yeah, sort of. All right, folks. 1880 on Amy. Oh, it's coming up here. 1883 is the new, more recent high that we're seeing here. Whoa! Ben Levine, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. 1348 cross on supers. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see here. LMT, did it start ripping? I'll show you the 344. Whoa! Lockheed. Going on a moon mission, man. Abbott Roofing, thank you so much for the super. What do you think about what Mullen will run to? Honestly, I have no idea. I'm not touching it. I just think it's really, really risky. I just think it's very, 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 very risky at the current. Oh, SPY's getting a pop here. We got 10 minutes left until close. Matthew, dude, thank you guys for the supers. You guys don't have to do that. I appreciate that, man. Rock on. Matthew, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Can you rap for us? No, I can't. Lockheed's doing good, though. If I held those calls, I would have been in a really, really good spot. But I got out around here, took a little bit of a loss on it. That kind of sucked. But, you know, got to follow the rules. Get your Lucid? Oh, yeah, I got to get my Lucids. Lucid flying now? All right. If it's flying now, that's not really what I want. 2075. Where am I going with this? All right. This is what we're going to do. We're going to get these right here. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Buying contracts with unsettled funds. I know I am. All right. What do I have to get here? Was that 7? And then what's this? So that would need to go here to this right here. Okay, that's fine. All right, got the Lucid Strangle. Bing bong. Let's see what happens. Tiny trade, one contract either way. Let's see if it moves big. If it doesn't, no blood. Let's see here. Micron crust up on the 3-minute. Looking good for tomorrow. Again, I'm not holding anything overnight, guys. Except for like earnings plays. I don't feel comfortable with it right now. Oh, Amy, come on. 1889, 1890 over here. Let's see what happens with the SPY. Guys, thank you for those supers. It really means a lot. Thank you guys very much for those. That was super generous. How much would those YOLO calls that you pay Brand be worth now? 0. Let's see. SPY trying to move up here a little bit. We got Lockheed selling off a little bit. Jimmy, 123.21. Not bad. Ho ho. Oh, Luigi, thank you so much for the super, bud. I appreciate that. First day trading 1348 with call options. Thanks, SCV. Took a 10% loss in CEI. Holding Oxy up 120%. Mullen up 39%. And Microvision and BB up slightly. Follow the rules. Attaboy. Good job, man. We love to see that. Thank you for the super, man. That was super generous. I hope you crush it. Amy's trying, man. Amy's trying to get above that 19. Let's see what happens with the SPY going into close. Lucid up or down. I always play earnings both ways. I hope in Batman they have the old-timey Pow Blam Big Bong messages. I don't think they will, but that would be pretty interesting. All righty. 1901 would be sweet. The high of this candle is 1891. So let's see what happens when we break that. Let's see. Good luck. Bought the Lucid Strangle for March 11th. Good for you, man. Good luck. I mean, it's all earnings are a gamble and a coin flip. You just have to. It's all educated gambling. We'll pull Lucid up here a little bit. LCIB. What do we got? It's chilling here. Okay, I'll play it up. You play it down. That's not how that works. Don't spend all those super chats on videotapes and cheese. What is that? What is videotapes and cheese? All right. SPY still down 0.5% on the day. Amy up 6.82%. Will I stay for earnings? Probably not. No. Probably not. Let's see. Yeah. So if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, we got 7 minutes left. Sorry, I can't count. 1885 on Amy. How's the gamma ramp look for this week? We'll get a better indication tomorrow. We'll see when the open interest starts to pop up a little bit, and we'll get that updated tomorrow to really see. Because we're really getting the open interest numbers updated from Friday. So today, right before no, earnings is tomorrow on AMC. Lucid's earnings are today, though. Lucid's earnings are today. What do we got, folks? What do we have here? All right, people. You should probably sell while it's in the green. Chatty Factory, you should stop giving financial advice to people on the internet. That's what you should do. 1885 on Amy. So do you like have a squirrel or something? No, it's just a joke. Love you, AMC. There we go. AMC the book. Come on, Amy. Get that 19. Here we go. Looks like I paper-handed Oxy calls, but a win is a win. Very, very true. Oh, my SPY ripping. Wait, did we miss that? SPY is running up here. Oh, baby. SPY's getting some candles over here. Amy, it's time to go to 19. Brian, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. Why won't you play AMC earnings? Because I play AMC both ways, and I'm not YOLO gambling on calls on any earnings, no matter what it is. So if I have to play AMC earnings both ways, I'd have to buy puts on it too. And then everybody would lose their mind being like, you bought puts on AMC. Be like, well, that's the earning strategy, and I would follow it, but no. So I'm not trading AMC on earnings. But Brian, thanks for the super, bud. I appreciate that. SPY broke your box? It did. Really broke the box here. Ortex on VTC, videotapes and cheese, XYZ? No. All right, SPY. Lucid coming up a little bit here. What are these? SCV walks his squirrel every morning. No, I do not do anything like that. SPY might go green. The short Vixen, it might. No, it needs $2 in 4 minutes. It's probably not doing that. Unless it really, like, well, how big is this candle? 434 or it could. If the buyers really step back in, it could. You buying in the money, at the money, or out of the money? Depends. It really depends on what time of the week it is, Jay. Sometimes I'll buy at the monies. Sometimes I'll buy slightly out of the money. Why would you include puts on AMC when we're all rooting for it to go up? Just buy calls? Exactly. But I don't want to, because AMC's earnings is so volatile and unpredictable. I'm not just going to buy calls on it for the point of buying calls. The strategy says play it both ways the entire time. So, I mean, that's the thing. Then here's the thing. Then I have put that, let's just say I did it. Then I have a put on it. So then I'm making money when the stock is going down. It's like, I don't want to do that. Let's see. AMC 1882 right now. SPY's moving up here a little bit. Down to $1.48, 49. It's flickering here. It's always flickering. Don Julio and after hours. That'd be pretty sweet. I work at a grocery store. Bought into the AMC popcorn promotion. Hope it helps. There you go. All right. SPY's trying to move a little here, but let's see. I mean, if it goes green, that would be ridiculous. We got 3 minutes left to go, people. Here we go. Think Riot will continue on this week? I mean, if Russia keeps slapping the ass on Bitcoin, yeah. All right, here comes the SPY a little bit here. It's down. It's flickering pretty hard. Free the squirrels? Yes. All right, folks. Let's see what we got. Diamond and that squirrel. All righty. Ben, he doesn't do that. You're misinformed. Are you staying live for Lucid earnings? No. I got to make a video. Then I got to go to the gym. Then I got to do a boatload of schoolwork because I'm technically still a college student and it sucks. Oh, SPY moon mission right here. Here it goes. Amy, it's your time to shine. SPY's moving up. Wow. So SPY is ripping right now. 1348 cross and going on an absolute moon mission right now. Chatty Factory, I think you're being a complete asshole right now and you should shut your mouth. You know what? You can get a timeout because you're being a dummy. We have a no nonsense policy on this channel going forward, and that what you're spewing right now is the definition of nonsense. All right, 1881 on AMC, 82. Russia might bring my Mara swing back to life. Yeah. what was the strike you paper handed? 437, I think. I think it was 437. I think this is the one I was going for because it was right here. I was getting cheapies, $3 out. You buying puts on my gym time? I wouldn't do that. You paper handed? No, I didn't. Those SPY calls were about to go down 100%. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Those SPY calls were literally going to go down like 90% before they started to show any signs of life. It's 1 minute before close, and the contracts wouldn't even be in the money. They'd still, I'm not slouching. I'm leaning back. Let's see here. I've got my legs up on the table. We're having fun today. SPY's going vertical right now, going pretty crazy. We got 1 minute left to go. Here we go. Paper hand. Hey, I paper handed the Riot Stay, and that ended up pretty freaking good for me, huh? Vic, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Oh, God, the webcam people are back in here. No, get out of here. Oh, wait, I should just ban them. All right. Oh, Amy, showing. All right. Ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. Holy Jesus. Able Trader, thank you so much for that big super chat, man. You didn't have to do that. Thanks for the 1348. Thanks for 1348 crosses. SCV up over 100% on SPY put earlier and a quick 50% gain on a Neo call. Able Trader, atta boy. That's what we like to see. Dude, thank you so much. So let's see here. AMC closed the day at 1886. We got SPY down about 0.25%, $1.08. Let's see what happens with Lucid. I'm probably not sticking around. GME, random down candle at the end of the day. 123.32. Let's see here. Guys, that is going to be wrapping up the live stream for today. Again, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out and make sure you have your notifications turned on for the channel so you're notified when I post videos. Thank you guys for those of you who have done that and who are about to. It just helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. If you guys want to get notified when the videos go out, that's how you do it. And again, make sure you check out the Discord as well. I know a lot of people are going to be a little bit hesitant about joining, but if you see a lot of the people in here who are making money with it, definitely worth a try to just learn the strategy and see if you want to join the premium. So again, thank you guys so much for all the support recently. Video will be out tonight at 6 p.m. is when I'm going to be releasing it. So 6 p.m. video. Thank you guys so much. All the mods. Thank you guys. Amari, good to see you back in here. All the people that are supporting, all the new members, the existing members, you guys are great too. And honestly, also you guys being super generous that decide to send on those supers. You guys don't have to do that. And it really helps out a whole lot. So thank you guys so much. I'll be back on live tomorrow at 8:30. It's earnings day tomorrow. So it's going to be a pretty fun day. We crushed it today again. Other than that, people, make sure you guys hit the like button on the way out and peace.